Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
This matter may be taken up after 2 weeks.
Appellant or petitioner?
For respondent,
Respondent.
yes.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
L, on behalf of L Parme,
has prayed with the consent of the other side has
Yes.
prayed for adjournment. List the matter after 2 weeks.
yes.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 7, Your Lordship, on behalf of establishing Senior Government Advocate. Your Lordship, may kindly take up this matter after a week. He has some personal difficulties today, Your Lordship.
Item number 7.
7.
Learned Counsel, Ms. So-and-so, on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
Estapin.
has prayed for, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. List the matter after 1 week.
1 week, Your Lordship.
Obliged. Yes.
Item number 1.
Lordship, this matter may be adjourned for today.
Adjourn for today. Item number 1.
Yes. It may be taken up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
You have taken the consent? No, not.
My lord,
taken
it's
the
okay,
consent.
ma'am. After 3 weeks, my lord.
After
He said 3 weeks, my lord, after 3 weeks.
item number 1, huh? Supposed to file affidavit, no? Let me see. Have you filed the affidavit?
My lord, yes, my lord, we have filed the affidavit, my lord.
You have filed the affidavit.
Yes.
No, after that, there is a order 10-11, 10-1.
Hmm, 10-1, no? Have you filed affidavit?
My lord, after that, my lord, no, my lord, we have written
After
letter.
10-1, you haven't filed?
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, we have already communicated to the department, my lord. So, further instruction is awaited, my lord.
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
last time, the honorable courts wanted to know, my lord, how long it will take, my lord.
Okay. Last time,
Yes, my-
last date,
last order, my lord.
last order.
It's a
Last to last one.
framework of rules, my lord.
On 19-3.
I think.
19-3, you said you have, it has escaped the attention of your attention to file an affidavit.
But
No, you were granted on 10-01-2024 to file an affidavit.
yes, but we've been asked to file additional affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit, my lord, like, my lord, for framing a rule, man, how long will it take, my lord? Because we have said that is under active consideration, my lord. So accordingly, we have communicated to the department, my lord. So further instruction is awaited, my lord.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
S. Sirang, on behalf of L
L.
Parme.
Parme.
Yes.
Or as in on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
Amendment.
L. Parme, has prayed for adjournment. Learned Government Advocate,
My lord, I'm additional AG, my lord.
the
There is-
Learned additional AG, Mr.
RH Nabum, my lord.
uh,
RH
has
Nabum.
submitted that, has submitted for instructions to file additional affidavit.
Affidavit, my lord.
Has submitted for time to file additional affidavit. List the matter when do you want? Last time 6 weeks time was granted.
My lord, my lord, my friend is asking for 3 weeks time.
3 weeks, list the matter after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May I, Lordship. Lordship, today we are filing our rejoinder.
Rejoinder.
Yes, it's on process, Lordship.
Today you will file.
Yes, it's going on, Your Honor.
All right. Learned Counsel, Mr.
B type, dear Lordship.
B. Tapodia has submitted that today they will file the rejoinder. Your presence will be recorded. You want your presence to be
Lordship,
recorded?
I'm
Yes.
for respondent number 3.
Learned Counsel, Miss
And Anju,
and Anju is present for respondent number 3. Learned Counsel, Miss I forgot his name.
N.
Ratan, no?
N. Ratan.
N. Ratan.
That is.
One in-
that is
Learned
still-
double AG, Mr. N. Ratan. Is present for respondent
1 and 2. 1 and 2.
number 1 and 2. List the matter when will you take up? You have already submitted the rejoinder today. Maybe after 1 week.
After 1
List the matter. Okay, after 1 week, list the matter after 1 week.
oblige.
Taking care of it.
Extra brief करो. Right.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a PIL. I have filed a complaint before the SIT.
Hmm.
SIC, sorry.
Hmm.
On 12/10/2022.
Hmm.
Nothing was done. There I have met a host of allegations which are in my page 15 onwards. These things I came to know through the RTI. None of the respondents have filed any affidavit.
और दोनों
Hmm.
दिन फाइल को बात. टाइम को क्यों?
Uh,
We haven't arranged as a in-person capacity. Madam, here we require to file affidavit. Madam.
Private respondent.
Yes, ma'am.
Allegations are very serious. You are taking it very, very lightly.
Madam, this is why, madam, madam, this, the documents is related to so many years, the voluminous. Now, we'll bring on the record, madam. Here this, the MLA led fund scheme. This is, the implementing, madam, we are only, our duty is only to prepare, estimate and deals. Now, the amount and everything of project is decided by the MLA and the ADC. But the payment is released by ADC. We have nothing to do with this, madam, regarding the money. So there's a personal allegation against us. We are required to file matters. Since it is because of voluminous matter, we have.
It's okay, you are appearing today. What about others? State, SIC?
Respondent number 16. I received the.
This why no action is
They are
taken?
filing affidavit with the-
I'm appealing for 3 and 4, my lord. I'm yet to receive any instruction from the SSM, my lord.
But,
Lordship,
file the
may I
complaint.
submit, Lordship? What my learned friend
SSC which?
no, for the private respondent, he had submitted. The allegations which I have made is specifically to the point that the MLA-led funds, all the work has been given to the son-in-law of the concerned MLA. And I have made specific allegations, and these are not based on my own knowledge, but based on the RTI furnished to me. Now, Lordship, even if this honorable court can direct the SIC to at least make an inquiry. If they make an inquiry, it is not always necessary that they would be implemented, they would be made an accused if they are not involved, Lordship, in the private capacity, Lordship. I have only made them a party because they were the engineers who were at that point of time in that place, Lordship. So I don't think anything will be harmed if order is passed for investigation, Lordship. It's not that I want to fasten any criminal liability on anyone at the moment. It is just that if there is an investigation into it, it will naturally follow whatever consequences there. In any case, this honorable court cannot sit as a fact-finding committee, Lordship, of course. It is only that this honorable court can, if it appears from the records that the allegations are serious, the dishonorable court can make an order for investigation, Lordship.
File an FIR.
Yes,
We have for an FIR to be registered, we have other cases, Lalita Kumari's case.
yes.
So.
We have already filed a FIR. It was a long time back, Lordship. They have not done anything. We have all approached verbally also. They have not done anything. They have said that we have not gotten any approval from higher
No,
authorities. So that is why they did not
You have
file.
not taken any action.
Therefore, my lord, I'm yet to receive any instruction, my lord. In fact, if my
No
lord,
instructions have been received.
no, my lord, if my lord permits me, my lord, the matter can be fixed after 2 or 3 days, my lord. I'll take instructions, my lord.
Then we can pass an order,
Yes, Lordship.
2 or 3 days, within 2 or 3 days.
My lord.
Regarding the submission, my respectful submission. Now, since the allegation is serious in nature, we have been implemented in person. Now, it is as a matter of right, my lord, to place our, whatever the role we are playing.
You'll file an
My
affidavit.
lord, we'll file,
Of
my lord,
course.
that is why, my lord.
So you want more time?
My lord, yes.
You cannot file
At least
within
2
2 or
weeks, my
3
lord.
days.
2 weeks, because it's so voluminous, my lord. Even to compile it, it'll take a week together, my lord. This relates to, my lord, in some of documents, some of the project where it was implemented before my joining, my lord, our joining. So that's the whole fact has to be brought on record, my lord, to show that there's no taxes and there's no involvement on our part, my lord. There's a personal allegation, my lord. That is why, my lord, we require to justify our point. That's another thing, the matter of investigation, another. But the thing that since we have been implemented as a personal capacity, so we require to bring up the report,
Basically, you want to make up.
my lord.
You want to make up the case.
My lord, not like, my lord.
No, he is more afraid of the SIC.
The project, we joined in the particular office, madam, after certain years, madam, and the project, the allegation is related to before I joining also. That is also how this project has been worked upon. That is we required to bring up the report. That
Okay, we can give you time, then meanwhile, vigilance will forget. He was asking for 2 or 3 days, then meanwhile, he will forget to
madam,
get
madam,
instructions.
at least I may be granted 2 weeks time, madam. I'll be
2
filing. Madam.
weeks.
Yes, madam. Almost the document we are compiling now, it will be filed, madam, positive.
May I submit, my lord?
Yes, yes.
Whether or not there are any allegations of corruption against the respondents, that will only be clear if there is an investigation, Lordship.
There is
If we
because-
fight it over here also, it would, because the FIR has already been
there is
submitted,
no-
yes.
Brother,
Yes.
insisting that we will, vigilance will get the instructions within 2 or 3 days.
Yes.
And thereafter, you start with your objection now, then you will complete it by 2, then we'll pass an order, pass one order on another date, let vigilance bring his instructions. All right, within 2 or 3 days,
My lord.
bring the instructions.
At least some preliminary inquiry can be done also.
My lord, as Malu is well aware, my lord, there is a bar under 17A, my lord. So since you have,
For preliminary inquiry, it's not bar. There's no bar.
no, but that approval is to be taken, my lord. Otherwise, we cannot take cognizance, my lord.
You obtain the instructions.
Madam.
We'll fix after 2 days.
In see Ige Kadu, in what capacity he is filing this PIF? As
He's
a
a-
spirit, the public spirited.
Yes,
citizen.
he's a person of that area, Lordship.
Hmm.
In which,
Person of that
yeah,
area.
yes.
Miss
Mrs. N. Dangan.
N.
Dangan.
Is present on behalf of the petitioner. And who's for respondent number 1?
Well, time for us to RS 1, 2, and 17.
RX Navam, additional.
1, 2, and 17.
Mr. R.S. Nabam, additional advocate general is present for respondent number 1, 2, and 17, full stop. Mr. O. Pada, learned, standing counsel. Learned standing counsel for,
SIC vigilance.
SIC which,
Special people.
small SIC. মানে short form, আৰু BIG, বেলেগ bracket short, huh? SIC এটা bracket, VG এটা bracket.
Special PP.
Special PP is
SIC.
standing counsel, not a special PP SIC which is present on behalf of respondent number, who are responding
3 and 4, my lord.
3 and 4,
Right from 16.
comma, Mr.
Jitara.
Titara is present for respondent number 16 and Mr.
And for respondent number 12 to 15, madam. Titadu.
Titadu, no?
Yes.
Jitadu or Titadu?
Titadu.
Titadu, Tadu. Tagu, public prosecutor, no?
The matter I'm preparing respondent.
He is not the public prosecutor.
Private respondents.
You are responding for, you are appearing for
Private.
private respondent.
Yes, ma'am.
Learned counsel for the private respondent number
12 to 15.
12 to private respondents number 12 to 15 and Mr. D. Pandi.
5 to 11.
Learned senior counsel, no?
No, ma'am.
Learned counsel for respondent number 5 to 11. The learned special PP has submitted for 2 or 3 days time to get to obtain instructions. List the matter list the matter on 2, 3 days. Well,
Friday, madam.
give me a date. 10.
Friday. Good, no? Friday, no?
List the matter on Friday.
Friday, madam.
Friday is 10th.
Friday.
Yes, yes.
Yes, today is 7.
Obliged.
My lord, in item 4, we are filing our affidavit today.
Hmm.
We have call for swearing, madam.
You are filing today. You will be filing or you
Yes,
have filed?
No, we have called for swearing today. So we'll be filing in a day or two.
In a day or two.
Yes.
I've already filed my respondent number 9.
Respondent number 9.
We will be filing rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition of respondents number 9 and 10.
Respondent number 9 and 10.
Hmm.
You'll file reply.
Yes, we will be
You're for
filing.
the, you're for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel, Miss.
C. Bansia.
Please, Hunyani number.
C. Bansia.
Here, my lord,
Okay, C. Banksia. Yes.
the main party it should be respondent number 3, the pollution control board.
Hmm.
That
They are not
Whether-
present today.
whether steps have been completed with regard to that. The PI list,
1 to 8, yes.
no, respondent number 3.
Respondent number 1 to 8, already they have filed affidavit in opposition.
No one.
Oh, not yet filed. Respondent number 1 to 8. You have correspondent number?
1 to 4 to 8. Leaving,
Okay, okay. So there's a break in between.
yes,
1 and 2 and then from 4 to 8.
4 to 8.
Okay, okay.
3 has to be the represented by someone else. Pollution Control Board.
I don't think so. No service report on respondent number 3. Notices were sent, I believe. You have sent notices to respondent number 3,
Yes, Your Lordship.
but nothing in the office note. Actually, they're including 1 to 8. That is all. So nothing but 3.
Yeah, even extra copies.
Pollution control.
Another.
No, there's nothing about respondent number 3. Separately. It is included with 1 to 8. No, they have taken. You have taken steps on respondent number 3.
Your Lordship, I believe I have, because we have served the extra copies also.
Extra copies, they might have served to the government side. But this respondent number
Okay,
3.
you take fresh steps to respondent number 3.
Yes.
Miss C. Bangsia is present on behalf of respondent number 1. Mr. N. Ratan is present on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. And
4 to 8.
respondent number 4 to 8.
8.
Mr. Yes.
HK Jamu.
SK Damu
Jamu.
Jamu is present on behalf of respondent number 9 and 10. Petitioner to take fresh steps. Respondent number 9.
Number 10 is Mr. Tony Pur. Is not present.
But I think he is appearing.
Yes.
Petitioner to take steps to issue notice because they have filed affidavit in
Yes,
opposition.
yes.
10 has filed affidavit.
10
in
is
opposition.
different council.
Petitioner to take steps to issue fresh steps to issue notice to respondent number 3. The learned counsel for the learned counsel, Mr. N. Ratan has submitted that they will that he will submit, he'll file an affidavit in opposition today,
Within 2
within
days.
2 days.
Always.
So we'll list the matter after 3 or 4 weeks. Arunachal Pradesh, I think 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Because she'll issue notice.
Yes,
It's a big state after 4 weeks.
always.
Your Lordship, there was a direction to the registry to take steps for service of notice on victim, which has been completed, Your Lordship. Here, the complainant and the victim is the brother of the victim, Your Lordship. It's a POXO case. So far as the record is concerned, Your Lordship, service is completed. However, no wakalatnama has been filed as on that. So, Your Lordship, further 3 weeks time may be afforded to them so that if they come, they will file. Otherwise, on next date,
Proceed then.
next date, your legal aid counsel may be appointed for the victim, Your Lordship.
Yeah,
On next date. Your Lordship.
yes. So what about paperbook?
Paperwork prepare, everything prepared, Your Lordship. Everything is done. Only yes. So service.
Paperbook is ready, okay. Mr. T. Ete, learned additional PP, is present on behalf of respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Notices were issued to respondent number 2 is returned after service.
As well as victim, Your Lordship. Victim has not been reflected in
Okay,
the.
okay, so, okay. Respondent number 2 then.
2 is the complainant,
Ah.
but victim is not implemented. However,
The
not,
minor, I believe,
yes, Your Lordship.
is returned after service. List the matter after 3 weeks.
After 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
So as to enable them
Nobody
to.
is, the respondent number 2 is not, notices were issued likila na, start all line to likidiba. The respondent number 2 is not represented today, list the matter after
4 weeks. Yes, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Item?
33.
Hmm.
So this matter may be taken up after 1 week.
I think I can mention one. I would like to mention one matter to be listed tomorrow, my lord.
No point mentioning now. Somebody has to come here.
No, only this matter, my lord.
Which one?
Old matter, my lord.
All matter.
Yes.
We'll have to wait for the secretary.
Wait for 2 minutes, then the PS come. Nobody is there to take it. Take your seat. This is. Ready
33?
33. I am for the respondents. I have taken consents of the petitioners.
Alright then, petitioner with the consent of the other side. You include the name of counsel with the consent of the other side.
After 1 week.
Adjournment, list the matter after
1 week.
1 week.
No worries.
My lord, Mayor, my lord. One old matter, my lord, to be listed tomorrow, my lord. Obliged.
May I please, my lord?
You have the filing number?
Yes, it is there, my lord.
I beg to mention item number 48 and 49 on behalf of senior counsel, Mr. P.K. Tiwari. This, after the consent of all the parties, the matter may be posted on 22nd. So, okay.
46 and 47.
22nd. I'm there for private respondent.
Okay, 46 and 7.
48 and 49.
48 and
There's only 48.
48.
Oh, sorry.
48, madam.
48 and 49.
48 and 49.
Learned counsel, Mr. Your good name?
H.K. Jamu, man.
SK Damu. On behalf of learned senior counsel, Mr. P.K. Tiwari.
My lord.
With the consent of the other side,
22nd not possible. Which, where is it?
has prayed for adjournment.
May 22. May 22nd. Go.
Learned counsel, Mr. T.T. Tara is present on behalf of the respondent. Which respondent?
22. May 22.
Jeju.
22nd. Not June, May 22nd.
Respondent number? All right, Nalai. With the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. Is the matter of?
April, May 22. May 22nd, this month.
22nd May.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 46 and 47, my lord. This matter will be taken after 2 weeks, my lord. I have taken consent, my lord.
You have got a respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Learned counsel, Miss
T. Wang Mo, my lord.
T.
Wang Mo.
Wang Mo.
Yes.
Learned government advocate, Miss
Yes.
T. Wang Mo, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. Learned government advocate, AP, Arunachal Pradesh, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. List the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord. Lordship, item number 54, lordship. The admission, lordship.
54.
54, admission. Lordship, this matter may be taken up on 22. I need a fixed date for this matter, lordship, for disposal.
Fixed date.
Fixed date, I need a fixed date. 22.
Learned government advocate, Miss
G. Atta. G.
G.
Atta.
Ete.
Yes.
G. Ete, with the consent of the other side, has
Yes.
prayed for adjournment. List the matter on fixed date.
22.
22.
May 22. For disposal, admission hearing for it. Lordship. Even today.
It come
this
up
is-
in the admission column.
Yes, lordship. Of my
My lord, I beg to mention item number 6, my lord.
Item
With the
number
consent of other party. My lord, this matter will be listed after 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Item number 6.
Yes, my lord. I'm for respondent, my lord, Standing Council Education Department, my lord.
Standing Council Education.
Yes, my lord.
Learned council.
T. Tagu, my lord.
Huh?
T Tagum, Tabat Tagum.
T Tagum, Learned Standing Council Education, Mr. T Tagum. With the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 20.
After 3 weeks, madam.
List the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, and also I beg to mention item number 45, my lord. My lord, here I require to file the affidavit. I have not yet received a parawise comment, my lord. Can this be released after 1 week?
No, 16.
Item number 45.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So, for
Lordship.
education,
yes, madam. This is for health, madam. I'm for
Health.
health. Yes, madam.
Learned Standing Council.
Health, madam.
Mr. T Tagum,
My lord.
with the consent of, has prayed for time to.
Lordship, I am for petitioner, Lordship.
uh,
There have interim order, Lordship. That may be continued.
All right. Has prayed for time to obtain, parawise comment.
My lord.
You have sent that,
Yes, my lord. To the
Secretary.
department, my lord.
to obtain parawise comment.
And I am
This
appearing for respondent number 6 and 7.
respondent number
I have
6.
filed my affidavit.
Learned Counsel, Mr. T Tara is present on behalf of respondent number 6 and 7 and has submitted that he has filed affidavit on behalf of the respondents. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
H. Titara. Honi Tanatara, Lordship.
H Tana Tara.
Honi.
H Tara.
Yes, Lordship.
H Tara is present. List the matter after, list the matter on 16/5. On 16/5, interim order shall remain in force till then.
Deeply ordered.
Lordship, interim may be continued.
Yeah, it is continued.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. This matter may be taken up after 3 weeks.
Learned Counsel, Mr. So and so for L Perme
Yes.
on behalf.
For respondent number 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8.
On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. L Parme for respondent number 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 6, and 8.
3, 6, and 8 with the consent of the other side.
No, file for the Department of Horticulture. Respondent only.
Yes, okay. I will take in consent of the other side, with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. So you want your names to be on record?
Yes, sir.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Yes.
You also want your name to be on record?
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr. So and so is present on behalf of the petitioner. List the matter on.
After 3 weeks.
List the matter after 3 weeks. This was item number 2, 4.
I think it's 4.
Okay. 4.
Yes, 4.
All right.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23.
23.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, pleading is completed.
Hmm?
Pleading completed is,
Readings is complete.
yes.
Let me see. Item number 20.
Matter may be list on 17 for admission hearing.
Just I'll go through it, check it out, whether readings are complete. Affidavit is not filed by respondent number 1.
Yes, I have taken consent from this. I have taken consent from other side. MK authorities.
You want the matter to be listed for admission,
Yes,
but
Lordship.
they have not filed affidavit. This can be disposed of during order also, under, when it's placed for order also, it can be disposed of. As it is fixed for order and order may be passed, there's no problem as such. They have not filed affidavit.
No,
Respondent number 1 is not filed affidavit.
he will be not filed.
They have not filed. You won't file.
My lord, we have already filed.
You have filed.
Affidavit
Respondent
filed.
number what?
Yes. Item number 23 CC Valley, my lord.
Item number 23, CC Valley.
My lord, we have already filed, my lord, our
You
affidavit.
have filed.
Yes, madam. Matter relating to income tax, madam. Income tax, madam.
You are respondent number 1.
My lord, for all respondents.
You have filed for all respondents.
Yes, madam.
All right. Learned Counsel, Mr.
G. Lordship.
G. Taye is present on behalf of the appellant, petitioner, and Learned Counsel, Mr. M. Kato is, Learned DSGN. Mr. M. Kato is present on behalf of the on behalf of the respondents, whose affidavit in matriculation has been filed on behalf of all the respondents, list the matter for admission.
Whether we fix date maybe
List the
17
matter
June.
For admission on,
17 June now.
ठीक है, 17 June.
Lordship, there is a interim order that may be continue.
Yes, 17 June for admission, interim order shall remain in force till then.
Deeply obliged.
Mayor, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 10. Matter may be fixed tomorrow, Your Lordship. Actually,
I am appearing for respondent number 5. Since this matter has been, my lord, adjourned all the time. Therefore, my lord, this may be fixed on 14th of this month, that is the next week, Tuesday. And my lord, this may be observed that no further adjournment be made, my lord, in this case. When matter, my lord, pertaining to the, my lord, transfer. So the petitioners are in the interim and they are enjoying the interim and extending time and again. Therefore, my lord, if further interim is made, further, my lord, adjournment is made, the interim to be vacated. So this observation is recorded, my lord.
actually, Your Lordship,
14th of this.
She is asking to fix the matter for tomorrow. Fix the matter.
Your Lordship, actually, the main counsel was on his way to the court, but unfortunately, he could not because he got a fever. That's why he could not attend today, Your Lordship. So matter may be fixed tomorrow.
He's asking to fix the matter tomorrow. Where is the problem? We can fix it tomorrow. Learned Counsel, Miss.
B. Mema.
On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
T. Garam.
has prayed for adjournment as he's not as the Learned Counsel is not well. Had Mr. Modi, na? C. Modi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 5. List
Other side, I am there, my for government, my lord.
and
I am for respondent number 1 to 4, my lord.
RH
Navam, my lord. Yes,
Navam.
my lord.
Learned Counsel or Learned Government Advocate for respondent number 1
1
to
to
5.
4, my lord.
1 to 4.
Yes.
List the matter on tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord, 8, my lord.
8.
Eight.
8. This is the matter on 8/5.
May I please, Your Lordship?
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention
9 and
item,
10 both, huh?
I beg to mention item number 13, Your Lordship.
13.
Yes, Your Lordship, on behalf of E per Mayor,
1/3.
1-3, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel, Mr. So on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. T.
E per Mayor,
Huh?
E per Mayor, Elena
Per
per
Mayor.
Mayor, Your Lordship.
E per mail.
Yes, Your Lordship.
From our Learned Counsel for the petitioner has, with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, I like to mention item number 39 and 40. I on behalf of Land Department respondent. Matter may be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Then department,
Yes, from respondent side.
respondent,
Yes.
which number respondent?
Respondent number 1.
Learned Counsel, Mr. So on behalf of London Standing Council for Land,
Yes,
for
Lordship.
land,
Ah,
for land department.
Yes, on behalf of
What
the
is his
Kamtuk.
name?
The Kamtuk.
The T Katu,
Kamtuk.
T Kamtu, comma with the consent of the other side,
Yes,
taken consent.
yes,
Has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on after 2 weeks.
yes, Lordship. Much obliged.
May your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of Mr. M. Chadha, who is outstation counsel. This matter may be posted on 31st of May, 31st of this month, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Item number 3, Your Lordship, private respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 5.
5, Your Lordship. Consent has been taken, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel, Miss
And Anju,
N. Anju, on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
M. Chanda,
M. Chanda, M.
Lordship.
Chanda,
Lordship,
comma, for respondent number
5.
comma, with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on 31st May.
31st of May, Your Lordship. Obliged.
31st May.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Mm.
I beg to mention item number 31, Your Honor. This matter become infructuous, Your Honor. I may be allowed to
Item
withdraw.
number 31,
31.
let me see.
Matter pertaining to my lord transfer.
And
It has become infructuous.
my lord,
So.
no, my lord, he's in the same place where he was transferred.
Okay. So she is asking for withdrawal, so
My lord,
no problem.
no problem.
Heard Miss
Tirimi,
E.
Rimi,
You write down her name, huh? On behalf of.
no,
Heard
no,
Lanet
my name
Council
is
Miss-
there.
Huh?
My name is there. Your Honor.
31.
Yes, 31. Tirimi, Tamirimi. Your Honor.
Okay, okay. T. Rimi.
Yes, sir.
Heard Lanet Council Miss T. Rimi for the petitioner. Full stop. It is submitted by the Lanet Council that the matter has become infructuous and she has prayed to withdraw the petition. Heard Mr. M. Kato, learned DSGI, who has no objection. Petition is dismissed or disposed of,
Dispose of me.
disposed of. All right, then
Madam.
petition is disposed of on withdrawal, matter is closed.
God bless you.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 38. Lordship, may kindly take up this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. I have to file affidavit here, Lordship. For state respondent 2.
You have taken permission,
Yes, Your Lordship.
you for the respondent.
Yes, for
Learned
respondent number
coun-
2.
Huh?
Respondent number 2.
Respondent council Miss
R. Basar.
R. Sonar,
Basar.
R. Basar. For respondent number 2, with the permission of the other side, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Okay.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, my lord.
Video conferencing.
Yes, yes, my lord. My lord, can
I
you
can
hear?
hear you, but okay, yes,
My lord, can you hear me?
yes, yes.
Yes, my lord, I beg to mention item number 32, my lord. This matter, the respondent has filed the affidavit today morning itself. So matter may be fixed for admission on 16th of May, my lord, if possible.
For admission.
For
Who's
admission.
You are for a petitioner or a respondent? Petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Who is the respondent here? Item
Yes.
number?
32, my lord, senior counsel M13.
I think he's not present. He's not present.
His junior might
Let me see.
present, I
Item
know.
number.
Item 32. They have informed me that today morning they have filed the affidavit.
They filed an affidavit today,
Yes,
so we can fix the matter for admission.
yes, yes, my lord.
Not yet filed.
My
Not
lord?
yet filed. It's
Not
not in the
yet.
record.
Yes, they because they are filing today morning itself. So that's why it might not be in record, my lord.
But he's not present also to say so. We'll keep it for orders then.
My lord,
We'll keep it for orders
my lord, my lord. On 16th of May, my lord.
on 16th of May, yes. D may be
No, my lord, BM Deka.
BM Dekar, Learned Counsel Mr. BM Dekar is present on behalf of the petitioner. No affidavit in opposition has been filed. Office note dated, huh? उससे पहले. Office note dated 6/5/24 indicates that no affidavit in opposition has been filed. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that. No, you know, strike it off. List the matter on 16/5.
My lord. My lord. Much obliged, my lord.
Yes, yes, yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, this is a land matter, Lordship. This, I am, Lordship, against this page number 22, annexure 5. This is this eviction notice, drop of notice. Land matter. This is a all matter. This eviction notice was issued on 9th of November 2021. just before this issuance of this notice, annexure 5.
Hmm.
I have a plot of land. The issue is, I have a
Please,
plot
please,
of land.
please, let me, please read the
This,
operative part.
this
Please read the operative part.
operative portion of this notice is that this I have allegation is that I have encroached government land. This is whereas report has been received from the office of the district land revenue and settlement of East Siang. We have encroached upon the government land, industrial colony have erected Tina fencing without any prior approval, nor any land allotment order from the concerned authority. Whereas such encroachment of government land is illegal and invite legal proceeding under the provision of such and such eviction of this such law. Now therefore, you are directed to show us as to why the unauthorized erected fencing should not be dismantled under section 5 of the Public Premises Act. Therefore, this notice is issued under section 4 of the Public Premises Act. A reply to show cause notice accompanied by this, any evidence supporting your certifying legal possession of the documents.
This is in which area? Public premises?
This is a premises is the government land. This is
I understand, but it's a market or?
actually this. I have been in occupation of not exactly market. This is a generally a public where all my neighbors have been already given a land allotment. I have been in occupation of this government land since 2003.
It's a barren land or a?
Barren land.
Barren land.
Barren land.
2003.
2003. Kindly see the page number 16, annexure 1. This is my first application.
Page number 16.
Page number 16, annexure 1. This is my first application. As per the relevant rule, I have applied relevant rule for government land allotment to the public government land allotment procedure. I have applied. So
Please read it. Please read it. Let me see.
this is just format. This applicant is Onimoyo. This sergeant says age number age 22. Village is Pasigat. Is Rasam area. This accordingly, every year there was
This
yes, every year
Oni Moyong,
this is the
daughter
applicant
of Alak Moyong.
Alak Moyong. Every year there is a land allotment to the public is applicable.
Through this
But
format.
my application is never been considered till that. So after some
You are in
years,
occupation of this land since 2003, but your
2003.
application has not been considered.
Not considered.
Where is the
Again-
date of application?
date of application is kindly see this
Serial number
5
2003.
5 September 5 February 2003.
Wait,
This page number 17. 2008, not 3.
this looks like 8 years.
2008. I am in occupation of this land since 2003 and I
Application
applied
in the year
applied on
2008.
2008. So again in 2021, I have my application was not considered, so I have applied fresh again over the same plot of land in the 2021. Kindly see page number 19 in the same format. On dated 4 May 2021, I have applied again as per the prescribed format of the respondent department. So kindly see page number 18. What is the procedure for land allotment? This is just page number 18 annexure 2. This procedure has been prescribed here. This is procedure says in the column 9 details of land applied. Kindly see what is the details? Is it fresh land allotment, fresh land or extension or regularization? The land may be fresh land, the land may be already they may have get land allotment for extension. Applicant has right to this public has right to get extension and regularization of this occupied land is also there. In my case, my case is regularization of occupied land. I have tick marked the regularization part. As per my application, the respondent authority was duty bound to consider as to whether my land allotment application should be considered or not. However, never been considered, just kept aside everything. So, in the meantime, after submission of this application, present application, the authority concerned has already this forest department, kindly page number 20, annexure 3, in the year 2022. In pursuance of my application, they have verified my land. NOC has been given. The rest forest officer says, it is to inform you that I have physically verified the plot of land of Oni Moyong of the High Region Pasighat. The land located near Handloom and Handicraft Office Pasighat, and hence proposal plot doesn't tell any recorded forest land. This is not under the forest land. This is a fit for this mean fit for public allotment if the government consider. Again, this town plan in page number 20 and annexure 4. This some criteria the town planner Pasighat has verified on 20 September 2022 as per my land allotment application. As per the observation of this town planner, what he has said, this some criteria has been given. If this criteria
Page
is
24.
followed- Yes, page number 20 and annexure 4.
20?
Yes, page number 20 is, this is the NOC.
No. This is a forest letter.
This
Letter
is
from
not
the
the forest
department.
land. The authority. rest
Okay,
forest
this is not a
says
forest land, but letter from the forest
This is
department.
not a forest land. They say, they have verified.
So now we'll come to page 21.
Page 21. Page 21 is the verification report of town planner. The town planner say there are certain A, B, C, D. This criteria has been given. If this criteria is not violated, this authority may give land allotment to the applicant. Just condition has been given so that the authority concerned may comply these guidelines. And again, accordingly, on the next date, what I have already submitted. On the next, it was on 20 September, on 9 November, this impugn eviction notice has been issued against me for eviction of my this occupied land, I have already OB type building was constructed, and this already fencing was erected, and I am having this land. I have constructed. I am staying here. This is a commercial plot, and being aggrieved with this eviction notice, when I was asked to report on 25 of this November 2021, as per this impugn notice, when I report to the office of the office, this state officer come, CEO come, state officer. The officer was not available on that day. So on the next date, 18th of November, I have filed an appeal before this is actually section 12 of the Public Premises Act. I filed an appeal before the Deputy Commissioner as per law. So that seeking land allotment, because my case is a genuine, this ground shown by me is a genuine ground. My land is a pit for public allotment, and my case may be considered. So I have pleaded for land allotment. Then now, after 2021, it is 2024. Since 2003 until 2024, I have been in continuous occupation of this land. And the authority concerned that, especially that one officer is there. That officer is called demolition officer of Pasighat. State officer come, demolition officer has threatened me to demolish my this building, saying that you do not have any land allotment. Whereas, Lordship, I have already over my occupied land, I have already applied for land allotment. Before consideration of my land allotment, if I'm evicted, I will be nowhere. That is the situation. That is why I am praying for this staying of this impugned this notice and this record may be called for. That's
Record, what kind of record?
There's a record in connection with my allotment and proceeding against my file. What is the stage of processing of my file? Whereas there are so many applicants in year-wise. Every year, this land allotment is given, but my file is kept pending deliberately without any action. This is the issue.
Lordship, first of all, this so-called notices given to him is of November 2021. And he has come against this in 2024. Lordship, this doesn't survive at all, Lordship. This so-called notice given in 2021, he cannot come now, Lordship. And then, Lordship, so far, Lordship, regularization of
In
or
between,
giving
he went to
allotment,
the DC.
Lordship. No, Lord,
Soko's notice was given, then in between he went to the DC for appeal.
he went to
I-
the
I
district
already
for
filed.
appeal, Lordship,
File.
in Lordship 24 only, 30-24, this April, last of April only.
No,
Now how he can come
Kind-
here
kindly-
against the,
Okay, this is
April is on
if Lordship see the last,
1821.
2021.
Lordship, that is 21, but then again, that latest one is 30.
There
But
was
then
no reply
Lordship,
from the DC, I believe.
Yes.
He was
Lordship,
awaiting reply from the DC.
yes. Lordship, so far allotment is concerned, Lordship. He doesn't have any right to come to this court to asking for allotment, Lordship, or for regularization so far, Lordship. This is government land. It's very clear that this is government land. And the forest range who has certified this is, they are only saying that this is not, doesn't come under the forest land, Lordship. That is government land, Lordship. As Lordship have seen here, Lordship is near industrial office, Lordship. Textile and industrial office, Lordship. Then this is office area only, Lordship, very much in the town, heart of the town, Lordship. There will be expansion of offices, Lordship. And
Yeah,
all the
industrial
publics are making encroaches and occupying every nook and corner, Lordship. If all of them are given, Lordship, allotment cannot be given that way, Lordship. This is government land, Lordship. It's up to the government to decide to give or not to give, Lordship. Age of right that they cannot claim, Lordship. And against the Lordship so-called notice, if he has anything, Lordship, let him reply, Lordship. He cannot come before this honorable court, Lordship, for the stay of the so-called notice, Lordship. If anyone is in illegal occupation, Lordship, the administration will, they will give so-called notice. Even the Lordship so-called notice, Lordship can see here, Lordship. He is asked to give any evidence supporting documents, Lordship. He is given time, Lordship, properly. Lordship. These are, Lordship, heart of the town, Lordship, official area, Lordship. In the so-called notice also itself, the Lordship area is being mentioned, Lordship.
What is the area of land you are occupying?
Kindly, it is.
And Lordship, in
mentioned here, it
the
is,
application also, he have said this is commercial, Lordship. Commercial, he just cannot occupy
areas,
and
Lordship,
ask for regularization of the giving allotment, Lordship.
200 square meter.
200 square meters, not half of the town.
In the body of the letter, he have written 300 square meter, Lordship.
300 square meter.
Lordship, may kindly see the subject,
300
Lordship.
square
300
meters.
square meter.
Information regarding threatening to evict my occupied commercial plot. How he can
Not
occupy a
300, it is
commercial
400 square meter.
without any allotment, Lordship.
Square
For
meter.
400 square meter.
Without any
You go
allotment,
straight,
just,
it will be almost 1 kilometer then.
No.
and then Lordship, this
Not-
is commercial.
Not square kilometer, it is square meter.
Square meter, but if you go straight, it will be almost kilometer, 400
No.
plus 400.
No, it is
Perimeter?
400 square meter is, it is 20 meter into 20, 25 meter into 20.
Lordship, whatever,
Land-
this is
land by
commercial, not
25
residential
land
also,
by
Lordship.
25 meter into.
25 meter into 20 meter. Land into, it is a very small area.
And
Small area.
age
Not
of,
square
age of
kilometer.
right, he cannot ask for regularization or allotment, Lordship. He doesn't have any right, Lordship. I pray that this petition may not be, Lordship.
My question is, Lordship, my, this,
Entertain,
this argument is that, without considering my, as per the due process of law, without considering my land allotment application, I have been just in arbitrary manner, although other in every year, other applicant are considered. My application is neither rejected nor allowed. Rather, issued eviction notice. This is the process here. One side to this unilateral action. Without following the due process of law. Whereas, as per process, the authority duty bound to consider whether my land is express application for land allotment or extension, or is it regularization? But such for that process has not been complied with
Lordship,
by
just
the
a second.
respondent department.
There is so far in the application, Lordship, there
my-
is no receipt also,
my-
Lordship, in both the applications.
My
There should be a receipt from the office in the application, Lordship.
very much,
Okay, let me check.
very much evident that
In the
the
body, there is no, this
No
one.
receipt, no seal,
No,
no
no,
seal from the office.
yes. At least there should be a receipt that they have received this application from the petitioner.
this honorable court has the power to. hold
Nothing
the
as
records.
No,
That
Lordship,
already that is
application.
there. How that cannot
Your
be.
application, I don't know, there's no seal. Whenever
Seal
you
is seal.
submit an application, there has to be an
Kindly see
office.
form
seal.
number, page number 18, kindly see. Page number 18. This is a form number 22, this is the seal.
In every
Seal
form,
of
there
the-
is a seal of the deputy commissioner.
Yes,
This is form,
this is
official
under
form only,
seal of
Lordship.
the deputy commissioner. Page number 18, form number in the head, top part.
A receipt is supposed to be there, that this is received only there and with the seal and sign, Lordship.
In pursuance of my application, already.
Or
there is-
one earlier application, there is no seal.
No, earlier also on the second one also
But
there is.
second
Earlier-
one, I
in
think there's a
earlier
seal, but
application-
not legible.
No, Lordship, this seal is common seal in the form, Lordship,
Earlier application.
in the
Lordship,
official
that is-
form.
That is why, Lordship, I have applied fresh because my
I,
application.
I
is
don't think this is the, because when they received, it is always at the side of the.
Yes, yes, Lordship, this is common,
This is not the
like,
seal, official seal. And there will be a remark. Receipt or something like that, there will
Yes.
be a remark.
and that is also given usually.
Everything,
That is-
Lordship, everything.
So this is at the
every-
motion stage,
everything-
we will call for the original documents then.
Original documents in
Few-
the meantime.
You won't be evicted. You have a family, you have a house. You won't be dismantled. Till then, it won't be dismantled.
Your Lordship, it will be, it will.
No, no, it won't be
Irreparable
dismantled.
damage if I'm evicted, Lord. That
Lordship.
is why.
No, I'll fix a date. Within these 2-3 days, nobody will evict you or
One thing may be
dismantle your
done
house.
in this case, in the meantime, that may be stayed, I have already filed an appeal before the deputy commissioner concerned Pasigan.
Yes.
This application.
See, your documents are
dated
without
18
seal.
18 November 2021, that may be disposed of, direction may be passed to dispose this application. In the meantime, before disposal of that application, this honorable court may stay this eviction, because there is a arbitrary eviction process has been already initiated. I may be, at any point of time, I may be evicted. In case of eviction, there is no case. This is the situation. That may be
Lordship, there is
disposed of.
no record showing that eviction is about to take place. This notice was given in 2021.
Protection is required.
2021, and now no record
Unless
is there,
protection is
Lordship.
given,
I pray that Lordship may not interfere in such cases, Lordship. There is nothing to see in the record that
this
Any other
honorable,
notice
this
so-
honorable court may issue, Lordship, there's a direction to dispose my appeal before the appeal
That can
against
be.
that eviction notice. This is the under section 12 of that act. This is the procedure. And without disposing that application, if my land, my building, my land.
No, your appeal is not against the eviction notice.
Yes,
Kindly see,
appeal is not against that.
kindly see, may I, yes, kindly see, this is,
Your appeal is
Appeal-
against the
appeal-
non-regularization of your.
no, appeal against order number ESD LM 1/2021. This is the order. Appeal against this. Kindly see the appeal. This is this commandment application. They cannot technically write, but they have coded this SOCUS notice. Kindly see, appeal against order ESD. This is the eviction notice. ESD stroke LM stroke 1/21. This is the appeal against the SOCUS notice.
So is this time barred? I don't think so.
No, Lordship, actually, if.
18/11/2021.
If he's aggrieved by the so cause notice, he can represent himself before the estate officer only. If estate officer passes any adverse order against him, then he can go against that order to the
District judge.
appellate authority, that is deputy commissioner. That is the procedure, Lordship. He have directly gone to the
When I
deputy
reported-
commissioner.
When I reported. to
That
the
cannot
state
be, Lordship.
officer On the date fixed, the state officer was not available. What I can do?
cannot
So
In that-
according to
be
the
that.
Public Premises Act,
Yes.
Yes,
you have to go to the district judge.
he have to represent
That is
himself
why I
against
have
the,
not-
no,
for an
Not
appeal.
district, not district, judge, that is the deputy commissioner.
no, estate officer, Lordship, estate
no,
officer.
State
No, no,
officer,
no.
it is the
That Central Act,
deputy commissioner.
Central Act.
Yes,
But not Arunachal Pradesh.
yes, that may Arunachal Pradesh.
I'm talking about the Central Act.
Deputy commissioner
Public
is the
premises-
appellate
Occupation of
authority in.
public premises.
This is the section 12.
Deputy commissioner
Kindly-
is the appellate authority, but then he have not gone to
As
the
per
estate
Public
officer.
Public Premises Act, section 12, against the order of the
Estate
state
officer.
officer, the petitioner has right to appeal before the
the
deputy commissioner. This is the law.
This is
That
the
is why
Arunachal Pradesh Act.
when this aggrieved party reported as per the date fix, the officer refused to attend. They did not take up the file.
When
On
they
that,
are-
on
when
that
they
day, that is why
When the DC.
on the
has not
next
taken
day,
up the
I have
file.
appealed before the deputy commissioner. There was a threatening to evict this, my building. That is the issue here. That is why my prayer is, let this appeal be disposed of as per law.
This is not an appeal.
This is appeal against, kindly see,
Okay,
So-
okay, you want a direction to dispose the.
yes,
Direction to the DC to
DC.
dispose of the appeal.
yes.
Without records, I cannot pass any direction.
Then,
you see your-
then record may be called for lordship.
Yes.
If no relief is given, it is a futile exercise.
Because you do not have any seal in this, in your
Seal.
letters.
In that case, if only seal is an issue.
Of
If-
course,
If it is seal is an issue,
whether
I
you
can,
have submitted the
I can,
letter,
yes,
whether the letter has been accepted by the office.
if seal is an issue here, it is, I don't think this is seal is not an, seal is an issue. In this case, whether it is authentic or
See,
not, whether my application is, this is not the case. I am to say my application is authentic. I have submitted. That is why
So we will
in
call for the
pursuance,
records.
in pursuance of my
So we
application,
will call for the records,
yes.
but a stay won't be granted.
Lordship,
Stay,
it
within
will-
1
it
month,
will-
you won't be
It will
evicted.
badly affect my, in place of that calling of record, this my appeal may be disposed of. In the meantime, temporary stay may be granted. It will be, there is every sense of
We need
irreparable.
supporting documents to pass a prima facie, we need
Kindly-
a prima facie case for
Yes,
stay.
kindly see, this is in pursuance of my application, kindly see page number 20, annex 1.
I've seen, I've seen. I've
Forest
read it.
has verified my land. Without application, how forest officer can verify my land? That cannot be. And town planner has
Where is
verified.
the order, Lordship? Then where is the order for the
That is not-
verification,
that is
Lordship?
Verification, this is the verification. kindly see page number 20 and 21. This is the regular procedure. The officer, this standing council know everything. How land allotment application is processed. That our technical issue, that may not be right.
No, there was no difficulty in staying because it is a house.
Yes,
People are staying
yes,
in the house
yes.
with
That-
children.
Yes,
So stayhood can easily be granted, but here there are problems to grant stay. In this case, there are problems, so we are calling for the original records. I'm asking for
Yes.
only 4 weeks time,
Not
Not 4 weeks time.
4 weeks is very.
only 3 weeks time. We'll
Uh,
call for the original records.
uh,
I-
it will.
I
it
would
will-
not have hesitated to grant stay or at least pass an order for no coercive action to be
That
taken,
is
but
why, Lordship, I am.
the
trying to
problem
just-
is,
Just disposal of my appeal in the meantime, stay may be granted. Disposal of my appeal before.
let the records come. This,
Short date may be fixed.
Yes, let
At
the
least
records
a
come.
week-
I'll grant
A
you.
week time, if this, my.
Yes, in my presence, I'll
my-
grant you
my
stay.
sen-
Let the
my
records
senior
come.
colleague, my
Yes.
senior.
I'm there, I'm here
colleague
on the
may
next
taken
week.
Just telephonic instruction also, whether
Lordship,
this application,
No, I'm here on the next week. Let's call for the records.
Yes, Lordship.
1 week,
Yes, 1 week
1 week,
1 week, Lordship.
during my tenure.
yes.
And Mr. T. Tapak,
Tabitha,
learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss D. Kamdu.
I am for respondent number 1 also.
You're for respondent number 1,
Yes.
and you are for respondent.
No, 1 and 2. I am for 3 and 4, Lordship.
So I am
Oh.
for 1 and 2.
MSG at that, Lordship.
G. Take for respondent number 3 and 4, and Mr. D. Kamdu, Government Advocate Arunachal Pradesh. So you are for, you're standing counsel for land?
I am for the standing council for the land.
Okay, okay. Government Advocate, no, standing counsel for land. The petitioner has filed his application under section 226 of the, under article 226-227 of the Constitution of India, praying for issuance of a writ in the nature of certiorari mandamus or any mandamus or any other appropriate writ.
Let this be on 17th, Lordship.
17th.
Yes.
17 is, Lordship, today it is, it will be too long. Today it is.
Lordship,
then
these
15,
notices
15.
are of 2021, Lordship, if
15,
Lordship can
15.
see.
Maybe
Yes, Lordship.
It may be
Okay,
on Monday.
15.
No, not Monday, 15th.
15.
Quashing the impugned show cause notice under section 4 of the Arunachal Pradesh Public Premises within bracket eviction of unauthorized occupants bracket close Act 2003. Dated 9/11/2021. And also a prayer for direction or order directing the Deputy Commissioner to dispose of the appeal preferred by the petitioner dated 18/11/2021 against the aforementioned order. The call for the
Record,
original records.
application record of the petition.
Call for the original records along with the application of the petitioner relating to regularization of the occupied land and other relevant documents in connection with the eviction order dated 9/11/2021, white memo number ESD/LM/1/21. All right.
This second press, second one maybe this given. This is the press one, this application number is page number 18. This is the current application.
And also,
Annexed to, this is a current application.
relating to the current application number, there is no number.
No number is given.
Application dated
34, 2021.
34, 2021, preferred by the petitioner. All right. List the matter on 15.
On the
All right.
next, observation may be given that, hearing over the interim order. Otherwise, matter will be already hard matter. That may be recorded, like, interim prayer for interim
No, no.
order. Otherwise.
I'm giving you my word from this side of the bench.
Sometimes.
I'll hear it,
other thing-
I'll hear it on interim, yes, subject to the condition that I get the documents on that day.
I'm
Like-
I'm sorry, my lord, out of course, my lord, I have to interrupt the proceeding. I'm very sorry. In fact, lordship, I have instructed my associate to mention item number 40 instead of he has mentioned item number 39. So may I afraid that item number 39 may be taken up because I am not mentioning this matter.
Item
Yeah,
number 40.
Item number 50, I was instructing my associate to mention, but instead of mentioning item number 50, he has mentioned item number 39.
Right, no problem. You.
Kindly
he
take up
was
this
not
matter.
there.
I'm in 39.
So you cut a stack up the order, item number 39.
Yes.
You, item number 39, you will be
Yes.
taking up,
Yes.
taking up the material.
Yes.
I'm in 39, my appearing virtually. In 39, my lords.
We have taken
I'm
up,
for-
we have not taken up item number 39.
Yes, much obliged. Yes.
We are on item number 39, no, not now. We are not on item number 39.
Lordship, this is a 2018 matter. The grievances of the petitioner has already been addressed to you.
Okay,
This was regarding pension matter.
pension matter
That
has
has
already been addressed.
Yes.
You've got your pensionary benefits and everything.
We have not received, but. orders
They're
have
taking
been passed.
steps.
We have taken, I have submitted the records also in the record.
We have received the order copy, which they have finalized, but so treasury we have not received that part only, otherwise too, they have done.
But Mr.
AK Singh,
What Singh was it?
AK Singh,
Mr. AK Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
T. Gyatso.
T. Yangsu,
Gyatso.
learned counsel, learned special PP government advocate,
Lordship,
Standing
SC,
learned standing counsel
horticulture.
for horticulture department. The petitioner had filed his application under Article 226
Yes,
of the Constitution of India. As he was not receiving his pensionary benefits after his superannuation from service on
Lordship, during the service period, Your Lordship, during service period.
Okay. He was not receiving pensionary benefits.
Yes.
The petitioner is Ashwini Kumar Dubey.
That,
And the respondents,
no, during suspension. Lordship,
petitioner
let
is
me-
Ashwini Kumar Dubey Kusama. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that, no, to strike this off. I have considered the submissions, at the bar. It is submitted on behalf of the respondents that, the pensionary, that steps have been taken.
Yes.
Where is the, you have submitted the
Yes, I have submitted the records.
records.
In the
That
last,
steps have been taken to provide the pensionary benefits to the petitioner. the records relating to the steps being taken. Has been submitted by the respondents. This is the entire record.
Lordship, if
Do you have anything else? No,
it's mentioned on the last order. Lordship.
last order.
Yes.
Oh, it is already mentioned.
Yes. Lordship.
As per the written instructions placed on record, comma, the principal accountant general within bracket capital A and E, formula and E. Bracket close, comma, Bihar Patna was authorized for payment of regular pension, comma, family pension, comma, gratuity and commutation to the petitioner by the Deputy Director, comma, Directorate of Pension, comma, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. As the matter has been settled, and as the petitioner is about to receive his pensionary benefits, matter is closed.
Yes.
Matter is closed.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May I please loss? May I please loss? All of the pleadings are complete, my lord. My lord, it may be fixed for admission hearing after weeks or 1 week, man.
Pleadings are complete.
Complete, my lord.
All right. Mr.
H. Lampu, my lord.
H. Lampu is present on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. Learned Senior Advocate A. Apang
Lordship,
is present on behalf of the respondent.
All the
all
respondents.
respondents.
All the respondents. All respondents.
On behalf of all the respondents.
Yes.
You are standing counsel.
Yes, Lordship.
Standing counsel for APPSC.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Senior Standing Counsel for APPSC, Mr. A. Apang is present on behalf of all the respondents. So this is a matter for admission. We have received LCR and everything,
No, my lord.
records and all.
Records.
He
is
will
not-
produce the records during hearing. I think. No,
We may not have records also, but it's not required of.
don't require.
Yes, sir.
Or not required, then it's up to you.
All right.
I'll get down at 12. No? 12 to 5. At 12. 12.
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, this is a missing complaint, my lord.
Hmm.
For a missing complaint, my lord, they have filed habeas corpus case, my lord. So, my lord, this is a settled law, my lord, passed in 2021 5 GLT by this honorable court, my lord, in para 15. my lord. For a missing complaint, there cannot be a habeas corpus, my lord.
Which paragraph?
Para 15, my lord. Last, my lord, last page, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this matter may be disposed of, my lord.
Lordship, this case is a clear case of missing person, your lordship. And in case of missing case against a missing person, your writ of habeas corpus will not lie, your lordship. The same has been held by our Guwahati High Court bench, your lordship, in or same has been your lordship provided to your lordship. FIR has been registered, your lordship. Now the investigation authority has make an effort to trace out the victim, your lordship.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Yes, Lordship. Just in short, the briefs of the case.
Hmm?
May I submit the briefs of the case? In fact, what happened, Your Lordship, in this case is that on 5th 11/2022, my sister Halima Begum, she went missing from Assam, Lakhimpur. Now, pursuant to that, I saw a video where a woman was beaten up by a group of persons. And on learning that, then I came to know that the same woman was taken over by the Papu Hill Police Station. So on learning that the Papu Hill Police Station took my sister to their custody, I went to the police station Papu Hill. And there I was told that the Papu Hill Police Station, they took her and dropped her in the railway station. And this on 8/11/2022. And it is since then my sister went missing and the whereabouts her is not known. Now, Your Lordship, the reason that I filed this petition was that I'm only seeking a direction that the police will be directed to trace out my sister.
FIR has been filed.
Yes, FIR is a file.
FIR file.
So all I'm seeking, Your Lordship, a genuine effort.
No, see, there's the Lalita Kumari's case. So once FIR is filed, the police, if police won't take any action, there are means and ways where how the action has to be taken up. Is the Lalita Kumari's case?
Your lordship, at most, even in Sakiri Basu case, your lordship,
Sakiri
this
Basu's
remedy
case.
lies, they can approach the magistrate who
Sakiri
can
Basu's case also, yes.
supervise the investigation also, your lordship.
Then,
Yes.
Your Lordship, any appropriate
But
order?
now this court, how can I pass a direction?
Yeah, it is of 2022, Your Honor. So any appropriate order may be passed.
Instead of dismissing it, I do not have any appropriate. You read out the paragraph, read aloud the paragraph.
Yes, oh, your lordship.
Paragraph 15.
Your lordship, the remedy lies before the learned court below, the trial court, wherein by invoking section 156 subsection 3, they can approach the learned court below if investigation has not been properly carried out, although it has been registered, then the learned, yes, sovereign trial court can always, magistrate court can always supervise the investigation, not by this honorable court, your lordship. If the learned court below reject that application, then no doubt, your lordship, they have a remedy before this honorable court, but not by way of habeas corpus, your lordship. I will read out, your lordship, the appropriate.
In another judgment also, Justice Surana has passed such an order.
Yes, your lordship.
That is better.
No, not this. Another judgment also, he has passed such an order.
Mamoni Kakoti. Your lordship, in Mamoni Kakoti case, the honorable High Court has reiterated the n number of judgment rendered by the honorable Supreme Court in habeas corpus cases, wherein it has clearly discussed whether in case of missing person, writ of habeas corpus will lie. Okay, your lordship. I will read it out, your lordship.
You have this with you?
Yes, I have the copy of it. Your lordship, I will read from paragraph 15 onward, your lordship. On overall consideration of the referred cases, your lordship, the 15 is the last observation made by the our honorable High Court, but prior to that, your lordship, some relevant paragraphs are also there, your lordship. In paragraph 14 itself, in the case of Sivraj Supra, relied upon by the learned senior government advocate, a habeas corpus petition was filed to direct the respondent authority to produce the body of the son of the petitioner before the Madras High Court and set him free. The missing person had completed his BE mechanical engineer course. He had gone on his bicycle to buy vegetable and did not return. The police has taken all the possible steps to trace him out, and the photograph of the missing person was circulated in print and electronic media. The division bench of the Madras High Court has held that in such a case, a habeas corpus petition would not be maintainable, and that it would only be maintainable under Article 226 of Constitution of India only if the personal life and liberty granted under Article 21 is infringed by the state or by any private individual. In the said judgment, the Madras High Court has discussed a few judgments of various courts. As such, it would be relevant to quote paragraph 13 to 25 thereof is quote below. The court are frequently witnessing that men, women missing case are mostly converted as habeas corpus petition under Article 226 of Constitution of India. Mainly, two aspects are to be considered in such cases. Right of every citizen for free movement is also enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution as a fundamental right. Personal liberty means that any person on attaining the age of majority is at liberty to move to a place of his choice. It is not necessarily that a person has to inform each and every one of his desire or decision to his kith and kin or the other person. Way of life is also a part of personal liberty, and a citizen of this country shall choose a path or way of his own choice for leading his life as per his own mindset and wishes. Merely because a person was not found in his usual dwelling place, that does not mean that always an element of illegal detention is involved. For establishing an illegal detention, it is necessary that substantial material are to be furnished by the person who approached the court by filing habeas corpus petition. Thus, the personal liberty includes free movement of a citizen of his own choice, and no other person has got any right to interfere with right of a person to move freely anywhere at his own choice. A man, woman voluntarily moving from their dwelling house to any other place of his or her own choice, then his, her family member or other person concerned with such a person can file a case of man missing. And on receipt of any such complaint, the police having jurisdiction has to investigate the matter in the manner known to law. Under these circumstances, the question of entertaining a habeas corpus petition by High Court would not arise at all. Thus, it is a condition precedent that a person filing a habeas corpus petition should establish that there is a prima facie of illegal detention, or at least a strong and reliable suspicion in respect of such illegal detention. In absence of any of these illegal ingredients, no habeas corpus petition can be entertained under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Now, Your Lordship, other judgments are also, various judgment has been relied upon here. Your Lordship may directly come to the para 15 now, Your Lordship. The observation made by our High Court, Your Lordship. On the overall consideration of the cases referred herein before, it appears that the Constitutional Court across the country have held that establishing a ground of illegal detention and a strong suspicion about any such illegal detention is a condition precedent for moving a habeas corpus petition. Thus, the legal proposition would be that the Constitutional Court would not entertain habeas corpus petition where there is no allegation of illegal detention or suspicion regarding illegal detention. Thus, missing person cases would not come within the ambit of habeas corpus petition, but such cases are required to be registered under the regular provision of the IPC, and the police and other investigation agencies would investigate the same in manner prescribed under Code of Criminal Procedure. And that part has been done by the investigation authority. The FIR has been registered, and the concerned police station, the women police station, they are investigating the matter, and so as to find out, trace out the location, whereabout of the victim, Your Lordship.
But his case is that the person, the girl, that they saw a video recording of the girl confined in the police station.
Your
You
Lord-
saw a video recording. Have you seen the video recording?
Yes, I have seen the video recording, and it was learned that after my sister was being assaulted, then she was taken to the police station.
Sister was being assaulted and taken to the police station.
Yes, yes. Some other person assaulted my sister.
Or some other person
Yes, yes.
assaulted.
And to save her, the police took her to the police station. And then after taking her to the police station, the police, they drove her in the railway station.
Then
So now you're
dropped
regarding,
her in the railway station then?
then
Dropped
since,
her in the railway station?
yes.
And
since
boarded
they
in the
were-
train, Your Lordship. Boarded in the train, because Your Lordship,
Yeah, yes, they boarded.
the issue here is she was not possessing the inner line permit. As per the, Your Lordship, this Assam Bengal, Your Lordship, regulation, the Bengal Provincial regulation, the outsider, it's a tribal protected state. So, Your Lordship, the outsider has to possess the inner line permit to enter into the state. So she was not possessing that inner line permit, and there was a standing order from the concerned magistrate of the capital complex that any person who is not possessing the valid inner line permit, then he or she should be externed from the jurisdiction of the capital region, Your Lordship, to the Assam, Your Lordship, or their respective location to relocate the person concerned. So even in this case, Your Lordship, she was not possessing the inner line permit. So considering, since she was a woman, the concerned the lady who was the is the in charge of the railway station, who is the respondent number 6. She was instructed by the concerned OC to drop her in the railway station and board her in the railway train. Accordingly, she was boarded and photographs were also taken, Your Lordship. And then, Your Lordship, she left the state. And after that, Your Lordship, she was found missing. And as per their affidavit, Your Lordship, according to them, Your Lordship, she went missing on 5/11/2022. However, Your Lordship, they have not reported it before any police station. Only after this incident, when the video was circulated that she was subjected to assault by some unknown person, only after, Your Lordship, the circulation of the video, they have approached this. They come before the concerned, Your Lordship, police station, and only after reporting this present victim, Your Lordship, they file a missing report before the Papu Hill police station. And since the concerned OC and the other respondents were involved in this case, for the ends of proper investigation, the matter was transferred to the women PS. Now the women PS are investigating this matter. So question of Your Lordship, wrongful detention or the custody of the victim is not there, Your Lordship. It's a clear case of missing person, Your Lordship.
So have you given something in reply?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So we'll come back. I'll come back after 5 minutes.
Okay, Your Lordship.
We'll go through your reply. You have given a reply already.
Yeah, Lordship, the OC, SP and other, Your Lordship, OC, in fact, is personally representing this case. They have independently filed their affidavit in opposition. Even respondent number 6, and even for the SP, we have filed the affidavit in opposition.
Come back after 5 minutes.
Your Lordship, and the search team was also constituted, Your Lordship, by the...
Oh, SIT was constituted.
No, your search team from the police.
Oh, search team.
Search team, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, it's there in, I will rely the affidavit in opposition of respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
2.
In para 8, I will rely, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 2 is?
The SP, Your Lordship.
SP. Okay.
Yes. Otherwise, Your Lordship, the affidavit filed by the respondent number 3, the OC, that is the important one, disclose every fact, what exactly has happened, Your Lordship, and what recourse has been taken by the investigation authority so as to trace out the victim. So, Your Lordship, will directly rely on the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 3, who is the officer in charge of the concerned police station, Your Lordship.
All right. Yes.
Your Lordship may directly come to para 2, Your Lordship. It's a comprehensive detail of the incident. What exactly has happened? Yes. Para 2. May I read, Your Lordship? That before giving any para-wise comment to the written, the deponent would like to lay down the fact of the case. It is to state that on 8/11/2022 at around 9:10 p.m., one woman, namely Hamila Khatun, wife of Islam Ali of Razali Laluk district, Lakhimpur, Assam, was brought at Papu Hill police station by Emergency Response Support System ERSS team, PCR4 Nahalagan, consisting of head constable driver Mr. Neelam Sera, constable Mr. Taba Tangum, and constable Mr. Lika Akin, who was caught by public for alleged child trafficking at Sud village. Before their arrival at Papu Hill police station, a telephonic information was received from mobile number so-and-so of Sud village at around 8:24 p.m. by claiming that one women child trafficker has been caught at Sud village. As the case was related to women, the deponent has immediately called Lady Assistant Sub-Inspector B. Adhikari, who is the respondent number 6 in this case, of Papu Hill police station to be present in the police station, and later on his arrival, the deponent has directed her to attend the case. At around 8:40 p.m., the deponent along with ASI B. Adhikari left PS for Sud village. When the deponent along with ready party was about to reach the Sud village, the deponent called upon in the above mentioned number to find out the exact location of the place of occurrence. On receiving the call, the person on the phone had informed the deponent that the alleged lady child trafficker, who was taken by PCR ERSS party, on being informed, the deponent along with accompanied police party returned back at police station. It was at around 9:10 p.m. at night. The aforementioned PCR party also arrived at Papu Hill PS along with alleged child trafficker and the person in whose house the women tried to enter. On their arrival, Lady ASI B Adhikari of Papu Hill PS was asked to inquire about the case of child trafficking. All the event occurred at PS is well recorded at PS CCTV camera. It was observed that the alleged women child trafficker was in total wet condition with mud in her lower cloth. Reportedly, she got drenched while trying to run away and across the river. During inquiry made by Lady ASI, no any sign of injury on the body of the alleged accused was found, though it was noticed that the alleged accused person was shivering from cold sometimes. Moreover, the fact is that the ERSS team did not report the deponent regarding any assault to the said women by public, and since no any injury sign on the body was found. The deponent felt that it would be inappropriate to send the alleged accused in her condition of drenched cloth for medical examination by respecting her self-dignity. Besides, after thorough inquiry by Lady ASI, no incriminating offense against the alleged accused person was found. Though some used syringe without needle, scissor, empty syrup bottle, tablet, etc. were recovered from the possession of the alleged accused. As the inquiry was conducted by Lady ASI B Adhikari, she reported that no case of child trafficking could be established against the alleged accused. Since alleged accused was not arrested and no FIR was registered against her, hence she was not sent for medical examination, it is a matter of fact that during inquiry, Lady ASI B Adhikari tried to find her address and how she came to Sud Village at night time and why she was sitting near the door of Sri Miraj Ali. On such inquiry, the alleged lady had stated that her name is Mrs. Hamila Khatun and she had come to Naharlagun along with 10 persons by bus on 7/11/2022 to work at Riverside for stone collection. She also stated that her companion had left her and she did not know them properly. During the time of incidents, when she was caught by public, she reportedly was searching her other companions. Thereafter, Lady ASI B Adhikari tried her best to find out her relative at Naharlagun or other place at Capital Complex to accompany her for the night. Pertinent, despite of all out effort, the alleged lady could not tell the inquiry officer about any of her relative at Capital Complex. As a matter of fact, the deponent had also tried to ask her about her any relative or address of contractor who bought her for employment. Every exercise of the deponent was futile as the lady did not tell anything. Meanwhile, as the alleged accused was shivering from cold, she had asked for new clothes. Since all the shops were already closed, the deponent could not provide her with a new cloth, though acknowledging her suffering, Lady ASI B Adhikari had arranged one cloth for upper side of her body from nearby place and for the lower part of the body. The alleged accused had changed her attire by taking out from her bag, which too was partially wet. Subsequently, the deponent had directed B Adhikari, inquiry officer of the case, to inform the women helpline to accommodate the lady for the night at Oju Welfare, Naharlagun. The same is recorded in CCTV footage of investigation officer's room, camera number 3 of Papu Hill Police Station, and the relevant part of the video footage can be gathered from 22 hours 11 minutes 54 seconds on the CCTV footage dated 8/11/2022.
Have you submitted the footage?
Yes, Your Lordship, perhaps it's part of the record, Your Lordship.
The footage, video footage.
Your Lordship, whether it is annexed or not, examination is where it is. A copy of here is annexed. Copy of external certificate and pen drive. Yes, Your Lordship.
Pen drive.
It's annexed, it's annexer 4, Your Lordship. Pen drive, Your Lordship. Everything is there, Your Lordship. See further, may I continue?
So I think it has to be shown to the other side also, at least to the court, that footage. To the court at least.
Pen drive. Annexer 4. It's there, Your Lordship. It's already served to them.
Yes, up to me.
You have seen the footage.
Yes, I've seen it.
So I'll also see. So is there anything suspicious?
No, nothing.
She was okay.
Yes.
May I continue?
Anything, any assault or anything in the police station
No, not in the police station, by the public.
by the public?
That was prior to
Yeah, that is true.
prior to when she came to the police station. After,
Especially disappeared from the railway station.
yes, Your Lordship. She was dropped,
No,
Your
he
Lordship.
was also not found.
Your Lordship may find the photographs here in the Annexer 8 series, Your Lordship. She was boarded in the train, Your Lordship. She was sitting in the, Your Lordship, train.
Any Dead body was also not found.
No dead body was found, Your Lordship. After that, Your Lordship, extensive search was made, not only in Arunachal Pradesh, in the Tezpur, the nearby place also, no dead body, on mortuary also, Your Lordship, no dead body was found. Yes.
Here, I saw her footage.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I've seen her footage. Sitting in the train. Yes.
May I continue, Your Lordship? In response to the direction, inquiry officer informed the deponent that at night, the women helpline does not accept any women without COVID test. She further informed that COVID test is only done at the daytime. The deponent also had conversation to accommodate the lady at masjid or other places, which can be gathered from 22 hours, 13 minutes, 50 seconds of the CCTV footage dated 8/11/22. Apparently, since there was no women restroom in the Papu Hill police station, as it is a newly established police station and run at private rented house, and for the fact that there was no alternative place to keep the alleged women, Halima Khatun, hence the deponent has sought opinion of the inquiry officer, Lady ASI B Adhikari, as to what assistance can be provided for the women. As they cannot detain innocent women at police station, on such query, the inquiry officer said that she would take the lady to Laluk PS and would hand over to her relative, and she belonged to Rajali Laluk. Since after inquiry, the alleged accused was a free woman, and it was the duty of the deponent to release her. However, since it was already late night, it was inappropriate to leave her alone. It is under such circumstances on humanitarian ground, the deponent agreed to the suggestion of the Lady ASI B Adhikari, inquiry officer, to send the lady to Laluk PS for betterment, as the Laluk PS is not much distance from Papu Hill police station. Thereupon, at midnight of 8/11/22, Lady ASI B Adhikari called upon the deponent and informed about the Laluk police station was refusing to accept the women Hamila Khatun of Rajali Laluk. ASI B Adhikari also tried to arrange communication over phone between officer in charge, Laluk police station, and the deponent. On such approach, the officer in charge, Laluk station, has also refused to talk over phone with the deponent. It is during the circumstances, Lady ASI B Adhikari, the deponent, what to do with the women. Being in a precarious situation, the deponent has directed inquiry officer to bring back Srimati Halima Khatun, as it would have been improper to leave a woman alone at midnight time. Thereafter, the deponent further directed B Adhikari, who is also the in charge of the government railway police, GRP of Naharlagan railway station, to keep the women in safe custody at railway station Naharlagan, as there are railway security staff and women restroom, and for the reason that she could be sent back by train next morning to Assam. It may be imperative to mention herein that as per the provision of the Bengal Eastern Parental Regulation, it is not lawful for any person not being native of the state to enter inside the state without inner line permit. Following the provision of BEFR 1873, on many occasions and on 15/7/2022 and 14/11/2022, the Executive Magistrate Itanagar Capital Complex has passed order for externing violators of ILP from jurisdiction of Capital Complex. This order has also been annexed, Your Lordship. Since the lady was adult and without any inner line permit, it was the best option under the circumstances which the deponent has applied. On the next morning, when the deponent inquired about the women, Lady ASI B Adhikari reported that the deponent, Lady Hamina Khatun, has already sent through Morning Tinsukia Express train number 15908. She further informed the deponent that she had sent the lady through her railway security staff, Constable Mr. Bapi Ligo, who was in the duty at very point of time. Thus, for confirmation, the deponent had also called upon Constable Bapi Ligo of Naharlagan GRP. On inquiry, he informed the deponent that he had dropped the lady inside the train in the seat and properly briefed the train guard to drop Lady Halima Begum at Harmoti train station. Constable Bapi Lego has further informed the deponent that he watched over the train until the train had left the station, so as to ensure that the lady does not come out of the train. It may be taken into consideration that Lady
Hamila Begum had no ILP and she was a suspect of child trafficking. Since she has already went through unfavorable circumstances, the deponent thought it would be a case of double harassment if the lady will be booked under Bengal Eastern Parental Regulation 1873. It is due to such reason the deponent had not registered any case against the lady. It may be taken into consideration that since the complaint was made against the alleged accused women for child trafficking, an inquiry.
Yes, yes. The entire story
Yes, Your Lordship, it's a very long story, Your Lordship.
side.
Yes,
The
and
entire story from your side. So thereafter she disappeared.
yes, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship may kindly come to para 10, Your Lordship.
Paragraph 10.
10, yes, Your Lordship.
Page 10 or paragraph 10?
Para 10, page 22, Your Lordship.
All right, paragraph 10, page 22. This is the same, continuing.
Continuance, Your Lordship, and after that, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 3.
Yes, Your Respondent number 3. With regard to the statement made in para 5 of the writ petition, the humble deponent begs to state that it is true that on night of 8/11/22, the inquiry officer has gone to Laluk police station to drop the lady. However, on arrival, the Laluk police station had refused to receive the lady as there was no missing complaint against the lady. Your Lordship, it's clear that there was no any missing complaint was filed. Find no way out. On good faith, the deponent has directed the inquiry officer to bring back Lady Hamila Khatun as it would have been improper to leave a woman. Your Lordship, the same thing. Now, Your Lordship, come here. Lordship, what this is the
Just a moment.
yeah.
I have heard one argument that I have fixed the case on 15th. Then I have submitted some notes. You just staple, pin up the notes on the right side of the page, right side of the file. Huh? 2 pages of notes. With the argument, I have written down the argument. I'll put it on this side of the file. This side of the file. You found the notes, no? The argument that the case is fixed on 17. She was not in. Not 17, 15. This is what- The file is with- I think not I think. Yes, yes. Yes, this I do. I have written down some, made some notes, so you can bring these notes. So 2 pages or 3 pages on this side of the file. Yes, yes, yes.
Your Lordship, Lordship, I pray your Lordship may kindly come back to the para 2, Your Lordship. The para 2 here, again, Your Lordship, what action has been initiated after dropping the women?
Of that,
Yes, Your Lordship, in page number 11, Your Lordship, may come. Other remaining part I have already, Your Lordship.
Page number 11?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes. Page 11 is.
Hence, Your Lordship. Hence, the entire effort of
Page
the
11?
11, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, filed by the respondent number 3, affidavit in opposition.
Hence.
Yes, hence the entire effort of PS was to safety drop. Top. Page 11.
This one number 3. Everything was matching, but now this is not similar.
Your Lordship, may I-
Page 11?
Yes,
Are you
page
sure?
11. Your Lordship, actually, respondent 3 has filed 2 affidavit. One in the capacity of private capacity as respondent number 5, and one is as an OC. So I'm read out the Your Lordship affidavit file as an OC as respondent number 3.
Affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of respondent number 3.
Yes, Your
Yes, which page? Which
Pa-
page?
Yes, Lordship, page number 11. May I find out, Your Lordship, the
You were reading it out, it was similar, but I don't know, this is not matching.
okay.
Paragraph is not matching. Okay. Okay, the first, okay.
May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Hence, the entire effort of the PS was to safety drop of the women to reach her residence at earliest from the hostile surrounding. It is a matter of fact that the entire above mentioned fact leading to one after another has been duly maintained in the GD and General Diary detail bearing number 6, 7 and 9 dated 9/11/22 and GD number 6 dated 11/11/22. Further, it is to state that non-briefing of the event to the senior was not intentional one as by so and so, that is so and so. The ERSS team has been made under direct control of Capital Control Room, Itanagar, under all over supervision of senior officers. And since the alleged accused women was brought at PS by ESSR, PCR Port in Nalagan, which come under the direct supervision of senior officers, the deponent was under the impression that the information has already been passed to the senior officer. Secondly, the top priority was only safety of the women. The main idea was that the women should reach her home as soon as possible, as her lower part was almost drenched. Moreover, it was already midnight and deponent thought of reporting to his senior officer on the next day. Regarding the video clip of assault on Hamina Begum on social media, it is to state that the deponent was unaware of the social media video. The deponent only came to know about the incident on the next day after Hamina Begum was already sent to Tinsukia Express Itam train number 15908 to be
So
dropped
this
at
is the
Harmati.
Delegation.
Yes, sir. The recent development of the matter is that the SP of the Itanagar Capital Complex by order number so and so dated 9/12/2022 has formed a search team, Your Lordship, after she went missing, Your Lordship. While executing search operation, the deponent and other officials have gone to Harmoti, Laluk, Lakhimpur, Boginadi, Gogamukh, Demaji, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Bipuria, Gopur, and Biswanath Charali. While visiting all the above area, the deponent and the team have checked railway station, market area, hospital, isolated place, mortuaries, police station. They have also inquired doctor and railway police. They have also circulated picture of Lady Hamila Begum in all above places with case reward to the finder. Recently, White Moment Order number so and so dated 31/12/22, a head constable named D. Gurung of Papu Hill Eastern have been deputed to remain in the district of Lakhimpur and Demajit of Assam to locate and intercept Lady Hamila Begum. During such search operation, the deponent has located husband of Lady Hamila Begum, who is residing at village Amchi number 3 near Doimuk in the rented accommodation of Sri Kappa Bengia. It is during conversation the deponent was informed by husband that the lady was mentally unstable since 10 years. Throughout the search operation, it has come to know that the Lady Hamila Begum was last seen at Harmoti Market and in Demaji traffic point by traffic police. On being informed, the deponent was moved to Demaji and Harmoti. However, while reaching the place, the deponent could not find the lady. The search operation is still continuing. The deponent believes that the lady will be located soon. Para 3, Your Lordship. The deponent begged to state that as per the statement made in writ petition, the petitioner has stated that since 5/11/2022, the Lady Hamila Begum was missing and their family member has searched every nook and corner of Laluk town and nearby areas. Though such being an admitted position on the part of the writ petitioner, however, it is astonishing to find that no any missing report has been filed by the writ petitioner or his family member before Laluk police station of Lakhimpur district. The conduct of the writ petitioner show that he has filed instant writ petition with ulterior motive. The deponent is of conviction that the writ petitioner has hidden Lady Hamila Begum or have already committed some untoward act upon her and in order to avoid any legal complication, the writ petitioner has for eye-washing exercise has filed instant writ petition so as to burden the deponent and his colleague for missing of the lady. To be precise, the writ petitioner is also suspected in missing of the Lady Hamila Begum. This is the fact, Your Lordship, and these are the actions so far taken by the investigation agency. And Your Lordship, the FIR, after when she went missing, FIR has been registered and is pending, investigation is still going on by the Women Police Station, Your Lordship. So it's a clear case of missing. There is nothing to show that that she is in illegal detention, Your Lordship, so far. And every detail has been precisely given in the affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship.
How he disappeared,
Yes, Your Lordship.
for whose conduct he has disappeared now. He is shifting the blame to the petitioner himself now. He's
Because-
shifting the blame to you. You have made her disappear.
And your lordship will find in annexer 2, your lordship, 35, page number 35, regarding your lordship, BFR, your lordship. There is a standing instruction,
Page number 35.
35, your lordship,
Yes.
of the annexer, this affidavit in opposition.
But that we need a pass to enter. or that
Yes, your
somebody
lordship.
from Assam.
Yes, since he was not holding the password.
Everybody needs a pass to enter Arunachal Pradesh from
Yes,
Assam.
your lordship.
Everybody knows. in
Yes,
Assam.
your lordship. So for that reason,
Yes,
yes.
everybody likes to visit Arunachal Pradesh from
Yes.
Assam.
So whatever the investigation officer has acted is on good faith, your lordship. So they don't have the
Page
custody of the.
35. Page 35.
Yes, 35 is the order, your lordship, issued by the district magistrate, your lordship. The following special magistrate of the capital complex are hereby directed to conduct a special drive to check inner line permit at helipad area and Prem Nagar area opposite Trims, Nalagan as below on schedule for each day or of every week. This is the name, your lordship, concerned authority's name is there. Further, the above special magistrate should submit the video footage of the special drive to the undersigned as and when conducted. Furthermore, the defaulter, if any, should be booked under the relevant section of law and external from the jurisdiction of the capital, Itanagar. However, she was not booked because she was also found to be one of the victim in this assault. So in the good faith, your lordship, she was external from through the railway, your lordship. So it's a clear case of missing, your lordship. There is no any question of illegal detention or detaining the innocent lady by the police officer. So what my humble prayer before
You have shifted the blame to her husband now.
no, your lordship, the family
You are
member.
suggesting that he killed her and he just disposed of her body. This
Your
is what
lordship,
you are suggesting.
because your lordship,
but not in words.
all the efforts has been made by the investigation authority as on that, and it still is going on, your lordship. They have no doubt dropped the victim there, and since then she is missing, and now after drop the victims, they came before the police station and they are alleging that the concerned police station, they have kept her in illegal detention. However, the video footage, everything show, and the photographs show that she was already dropped in the railway station.
Prayer in the habeas corpus petition. What is your prayer?
My only prayer was that direction may be given to the police to trace out the missing.
Okay,
person.
okay,
It was only prayer.
Oh.
So
To take up the investigation, but
Yes.
police had already taken up the investigation.
Yes, investigation is going on, your lordship.
So your lordship, the briefs of the case has been presented in very clearly.
Yes.
I have nothing more to submit.
Yes.
So I leave it to the wisdom and justice of this court. The
Invest-
matter will be disposed of.
Matter will be disposed of, yes. Can be disposed of, I think so, but it will be a long order.
Yes, maybe this.
You'll have to be very patient. Maybe it will continue till, okay, then I'll take up one matter, then afternoon I'll dictate the order.
Okay,
I'll take up another matter because it will take some time, I think so.
okay, your lordship.
Then Buni also will get an opportunity to shift the burden to somebody else. It will be a long order, maybe.
This happen in criminal cases, your lordship.
Huh?
This happen in criminal cases.
Any other judgments?
Your lordship,
Of this nature, similar case?
similar case, your
Should we
lordship.
like fix it for tomorrow? You bring a judgment of
Your
similar.
lordship, I will find it out, your lordship.
This, I think there's a judgment of Justice Rana, I forgot the party's name. Forgot her name.
I will find out, regarding
It is
part
the
time.
lady advocate,
Okay, missing,
Guwahati.
the missing
No,
person.
not missing, but habeas, I most probably habeas corpus.
Your lordship, the judgment whichever we are, which we are relying on, see, even there, your lordship, the end of
Everything is included.
everything, even the, not only a single judgment, the 7, 8 judgment of the Supreme Court has been reiterated. The paragraph relevant.
Please mark the relevant portions.
Para 14, yes, your lord. In para 14, all the judgments have
Please
been.
mark the relevant portions, then I'll come back and in the afternoon I'll deliver
Okay,
the judgment, or maybe I'll come back tomorrow and order. Maybe in the afternoon. I'll take up one matter which will not be very long.
Hmm.
1 or 2 or 3, 4 matters which will not be very long.
Your
We'll come
lordship,
back at 2 and
yes.
then I'll pass the.
Your lordship, in the meantime, I will furnish the, your lordship, the judgment which is,
No, you can, yes, and mark the relevant portions also.
yes, sir, I will provide your lordship, the judgment which is reported in GLT, your lordship. It will be more convenient, your lordship, there.
Yes,
Yes.
And you can mark the.
Yes, I will
highlighted
mark the portion. Obliged.
But I found your suggestion very funny. Shifting the blame to the petitioner.
But in this case, I will file rejoinders
Hmm.
against the affidavit filed by respondent number 3 and 4. Oh, my lord, I may be allowed 4 weeks time.
Item number 8.
8.
Lordship, this is 4 weeks is too long because from the last 2-3 times they have been taking adjournment.
Taking
So
time.
Lordship, so 2 weeks time may be given. Lordship.
Only 2 weeks.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in way back in
Even my lord,
23, November 23.
respondent number 2 not yet filed their affidavit.
November 23, affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 3 and 4. So
Yes.
you want to reply against that
Yes, ma'am.
affidavit? After 6 months. After 6 months.
My lord,
Because status quo stays there, Lordship. They
Right.
keep on taking time, Lordship.
my lord, respondent number 2 not yet filed their affidavit.
I don't think, Lordship, this Chief Secretary and
You are representing
Secretary,
number
yes, Lordship. So I
So
don't
she has
think they
filed,
will file.
she has filed for all of them, I think.
Yes.
My lord,
I have not, but they
respondent
they
number
will
2
not-
is Secretary Land Department. Yes,
Land
it's
management.
Yes.
Lordship, this is unauthorized eviction, so this is directly have to do with the Deputy Commissioner only. They will not file, Lordship. In other cases also, they have never filed. Lordship.
How many weeks time you want?
My lord, 4 weeks time.
4 weeks.
Last chance is
Last
3
6
weeks.
months.
Yes.
My lord, maybe 3 weeks.
Then Lordship, last chance may be given. If not filed, then Lordship, admission hearing may be taken up.
Heard Mr. O. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss D. Kamduk. D. Kamduk?
Yes, I will.
Oh, D. Kam, and learned counsel, Mr. D. Kamduk for, you're now you're GA or standing counsel
I am.
now in this case?
Yes, yes.
GA,
I am the
Standing counsel.
Standing council,
standing counsel for
land management.
land
department.
management. So you won't file affidavit?
No,
And Miss E. Parme, learned government advocate, AP, for
For 1, 3, and 4.
for the respondents number 1, 3, and 4. The learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for time to file, to submit reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. The learned counsel for the respondents has raised objections stating that this case is pending only for this case has been procrastinated by the procrastinated by the petitioners. A last opportunity is accorded petitioners to file affidavit in reply within 3 weeks. Correct?
My lord, just interim order that maybe.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Obviously.
May I please, my lord. My lord, I appear on behalf of M. Kato, DAGI, my lord. My lord, he instructed me, communication has been made, but no instruction has been received yet. Therefore, 3 weeks time may be given to take instruction from the department.
I'm on behalf of the petitioner, madam.
Petitioner. Mr.
G. Talo.
G. Tado is present on behalf, learned counsel, Mr. G. Tado is present on behalf of the petitioner. Stop, learned counsel, Mr.
And Sora,
N. Sonar
and Sora on behalf of M. Kato,
is present on behalf of
M. Kato, DAGI.
M. Kato,
Yes, my lord.
DSGI, and has prayed for time to file,
No, my lord, take instruction.
and has prayed for time to take instructions from the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
Which respondents?
One minute, please for 1 minute.
Respondent number 1,
Miss one number 2, madam.
Miss T. Wangmo.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss T. Wangmo, you are government advocate.
Yes, ma'am.
Is
For
present,
respondent number 2.
sorry,
For respond number 2, ma'am.
is present on behalf of respondent number 2. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is an interim order that may be continued.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Lordship, there is small period that my name may be reflected.
Oh, yes,
Order
yes.
may be-
Registry to reflect the name of the learned counsel for the petitioner in the cause list.
Much obliged.
I don't know, told my lord, state respondent and Union of India, they have to file affidavit.
Yeah, madam, I received my instruction, madam. I will be filing within 1 week, madam.
Affidavit.
Yes, madam.
Learned government advocate Miss T. Wang
T1.
has prayed for time to file affidavit. Yes, ma'am. List the matter after 1 week. Yes.
I'm for respond number 2 and 3, my lord. I'm for respond number 2 and 3, my lord.
Yes, for respond number 2 and 3.
There are other respondents also, madam. Land Management
Oh,
Department.
everybody is present or not?
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I,
Learned Council, Mr.
M. Sora on
M.
behalf
Sora.
of M. Kato,
Sona is present on behalf,
respondent number 4, 5,
on behalf
6,
of
7.
Learned Council, Mr. M. Kato, DSGI, representing respondent number
4, 5,
4, 5 and 6.
7.
4, 5 and 7, and Mr. D. Kamdar is present on behalf of, and Learned Council, Mr. D. You are standing council or?
Yes.
Standing council for? Land management is present on behalf of respondent number 1. In the beginning, you write Learned Council, Mr.
R.L. Tungan.
R.
L. Tungan.
R.L. Thungong is present on behalf of the petitioners. No, all right. Everything I have, prayer and everything is allowed, I think, yes. Likha? Item number 14 to 22. 14 to 22, let us go.
Well, the matter is.
We'll go at a go.
No, Milord, the matter is.
We'll have to
pending
hear
with the- No, the matter is pending for the Supreme Court, Milord.
Okay.
Milord,
Sub judice.
It's a sub judice. My lord will make an observation that in view of the matter in session by the apex court, leaves this matter after 3 months. However, the parties, Learned Council for the parties, whenever the case is disposed of, the apex court can make a mention for listing of the matter. That is.
All right. Can be recorded.
Yes.
From 16 to 20. 16 to 22. Huh?
14.
14 to 22. So I'll have to record all your names.
Yeah.
Learned Council, Mr.
All these are connected.
My lord will only say, Learned Council for the parties are
Oh,
represented.
all parties are represented.
Yes.
It is submitted by both the parties that the matter is pending before the Honorable Apex Court. And stay has not been granted, no?
There is a stay order.
There is a stay order.
There is a stay.
And Honorable Apex Court and the stay order has been granted by the Honorable Apex Court in connection with in connection with this matter, with this matter. So it will include everything at a go.
Yes.
In connection with this matter. List the matter. Matter may be listed after disposal of the matter may be listed after 3 months.
3 months.
Matter may be listed, matter to be listed after 3 months, and the parties are to
Parties are at liberty to make a mention, Milord, for
and the
listing
parties
of the-
are and the parties are at the liberty to mention for listing this matter after the matter is disposed of.
disposal of the.
After the connected matter or corresponding matter, or
appeal,
after the appeal,
Yeah.
after the appeal against this matter is disposed of by Honorable the Supreme Court.
My lord, may I? I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
For
Petitioner.
For respondent number 4 to 17.
4 to 17.
Yeah, I need some time to file.
Your Honor, since from 2023, you know, 12 December,
12
still they are.
Recently, we have been
Ah.
instructed to give this matter.
You know, my lord, last occasion also they are exonerated.
Learned Council for respondent 4 to 17 made with the consent of the opposite party. This matter stands. Are you on interim protection?
No, this week.
Are you enjoying interim protection? No.
We are responding.
I'm for petition.
Hmm?
I am for
Okay,
petition.
okay, you're for the petitioner. So petitioner is not enjoying interim protection. This is the reason. Are you on interim protection? No.
Yes,
No.
my lord.
Any stay order has been passed in your favor? No.
No.
Yes, since 2012, 2023 years. We've been taking time for a long time.
It's been almost 1 year, my lord.
You have appeared on 2023. So last opportunity is granted.
Okay.
Learned Counsel Miss
T-cert.
is present on behalf of the petitioners. Learned Counsel Mr.
R. Koyu.
R.
Koyu.
Koyung. Your name is reflected. 24, no? Your name is not
Costless, it's not clear.
reflected. R. Koyung is present on behalf of respondent number 4 to 17. And learned government advocate AP Miss K. Wangmo, no? Is present on behalf of respondent number 1 to 3. And respondent number 1 to 3. The learned counsel for the respondent number 4 to 17 has prayed 4 to 17.
Yes.
Has prayed for some time to file affidavit. Affidavit, but the learned counsel for the petitioner has raised objections stating that since 12/12/2023, the petitioners could have filed affidavit, but they have procrastinated this case. To stop, last opportunities according to the respondents to file affidavit, list the matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Number 25.
Mayor Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter is regarding the appointment of arbitrator.
Hmm?
Matter is regarding the appointment of arbitrator. Service has been completed. On 7 August
They have
2023.
filed for Kalandam also.
Yes, they have filed, but till today they haven't filed their reply or affidavit, counter affidavit. It has been 4 times since this matter was taken up.
Arbitrator.
Yes, this matter was taken up for 4 times, if we can't count today. And they didn't appear after their first appearance. Therefore, my lord, this matter may be fixed for admission hearing or next set.
All right. All right, it will go for admission then.
Yes, my lord may kindly give a fixed date on 27th of this month.
27.
27th of this month, May 27th.
They have not appeared on consecutively on how many dates?
4 times. It will be 4 times. If-
Just let me check.
Yes.
Just let me check.
Yes.
They are, who are the contractors?
Contract.
They are you are the contractor. Arbitration clause,
My lord,
arbitration petition.
yes.
So it must be a contract.
Yes, it is.
Who are the contractors?
Contractor respondent, sole respondent, my lord. He was earlier engaged for this work, but right now it has been given to some other party at the risk and cost.
Twenty-eight 9/23 did not appear.
Yes.
8/1/24 did not appear.
Yes.
Uh,
12/3/24.
12/3/24. Are these all cases already fixed for admission?
Yes, it has to be for admission hearing. It has to be fixed for admission hearing for today.
Fixed for admission here. Already fixed.
Yes.
This is admission or orders? It has come in the orders column maybe erroneously. Learned Counsel, Mr. Galtieri is present on behalf of the petitioner. The respondents are not represented today. The respondents were continuously absent on 4 consecutive dates. List the matter for admission hearing
On 27th May.
on 27.
Highly obliged. Ma'am,
Yes.
today I was supposed to file affidavit in opposition.
Hmm?
Affidavit in opposition. I was supposed to file today.
Affidavit.
Yeah.
In reply,
Yes,
you seek time.
yes.
All right.
My lord, in IA, they were supposed to file affidavit long time ago. Time was given to them. Now, as per my lord, Article 226, sub Article 3, if interim order application is filed for modification of interim order, it has to be disposed of within 2 weeks. But it's now more than 3 months. Now, my humble prayer is that interim order passed earlier may kindly be vacated. The petitioner is illegally residing within my government allotted quarter compound.
Or everybody resides illegally in government allotted quarters.
Yes. No, actually,
Who says legally in government allotted
no,
quarters?
eviction order has been passed against him, so that's why he is before this honorable court. Now, after obtaining interim order, they are seeking time and again.
Then where will he go? If he's thrown out, where will he go?
He can go to his village. His own place there.
Kindly allow some further time.
Last chance.
So date may begin because
Learned Counsel for the petitioner
Pay the game. Pay the game.
has paid for time to file affidavit in reply. Learned Counsel for respondent number.
IA is filed by me. In
I.
yes, I am the applicant.
You're the applicant. Okay, okay. Learned Counsel for the opposite party, Mr. In IA, no? Learned Counsel for the opposite party, Mr.
Pay the game.
Has paid for time to file affidavit in opposition. And the Learned Counsel for the applicant, Mr.
D. Laji.
D. Laji.
Laji.
Has raised objections stating that the matter has to be disposed within 2 weeks, no?
Yes.
Within 2 weeks, but the petitioner has procrastinated, the opposite party has
Yes.
procrastinated the case. Miss K. Wangmo is present on behalf of applicants, respondent number 3 and 4. A last opportunity is accorded to the opposite party. Opposite party, what is your name?
Pay the game.
The opposite party's name.
Another one.
You are representing whom?
Leyu Gangam Niling. Leyu Gangam Niling.
Leyu Gamgam
Niling.
Niling
Yes,
to
yes.
file affidavit in opposition. List the matter on 3 weeks time.
2 weeks, man. Yes.
List the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And my lord,
Possible.
interim in item number 27 may be continued.
Hmm?
Interim may be continued.
In the original.
Yes,
In the
in item number
WPC,
27.
both the parties are represented. Interim order shall remain in force till the next day,
Yes, ma'am.
next date, huh? In WPC. So you write the IA order separately and the WPC order separately.
Most obliged.
My lordship, service against respondent complete lordship.
Complete
Lord.
affidavit in operation not yet filed.
No.
4 and 5. 4 and 5. So it will come for orders on the next date. Okay. All right, all right.
No.
Learned Counsel Miss so has submitted for time to file counter affidavit. List the matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
And Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay, okay. Learned Counsel, beginning में लिखा है Learned Counsel Mr. So is present. Learned Counsel Miss
P. Pangu, Your Lordship.
is present on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So that party is here. I'll come back and pass the order. That long argument. Habeas corpus.
Emergency,
Ah,
this item number 41, 42, 43, my lord.
ah,
Kindly issue notice.
ah.
This is an implement
40.
41, 42, 43, my lord.
Ah,
This is an implement petition, my lord,
ah.
for airing us as a respondent, party respondent, and my friend Nikita is here.
Ah.
And she, so that she can file her objection, if any,
Ah.
on 17, my lord.
Petition for implement.
Implement.
Let's see. Okay, okay. You do not want an order.
No, my lord, just
Ah.
notice, issue notice.
Just issue notice.
Yes, returnable on 17.
Hmm.
Objection.
So I
if
don't
any-
want the records.
No, not record.
41, 42, 43.
In 42, 43, these are the main cases.
These are the main cases, but in the IA, my lord.
In the IA,
IA.
in the IA only.
In the
order.
IA only.
We'll club it together.
Yes, it has come to
IA.
IA.
We'll club it together. IA 41, 42, 43. IA to 41.
Implement petition, my lord.
Heard Mr. T.T. Tara, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Miss N. Dangan, Learned Counsel for the opposite party.
Opposite party.
Petitioner stroke applicant, Learned Counsel for the opposite party. So list and
No,
or-
no, we are not here.
no. Okay. List the matter when do you want?
17, my lord.
Issue note. Issue
Issue
notice.
notice returnable on 17.
Issue notice to whom?
Opposite parties.
Opposite party.
You are already there.
Yes.
Yes.
So so you accept the notice?
Yes,
there?
yes.
Accept.
As the learned counsel for the opposite party is present, no notice is required to be issued. However, sufficient copies to be furnished during the course of the day.
Correct.
List the matter of
On 17.
17.
17.
17. And she will file objection, if any.
Also,
Or
Lordship,
objection if any.
Yes.
yes. In 42, 43, there is interim order that may be continued.
42, 43 to Renal Black Code.
Main, that is main, my lord. Interim order to continue in item 42 and 43, my lord.
Separate করলে ভালো
Yes,
হবে।
yes, separate order.
Separate করলে ভালো হবে। Separate করে দিবা IA to উপর IA এই WPC কিটার IA to A to order দিবা আর WPC কিটার interim order to both the parties are represented WPC কিটার interim order shall remain in force till the next date.
Grateful.
Okay.
Lordship,
Next date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, in a very similar way, in item number 39 also, the IA has been filed and I am for the respondent opposite party. I am for NSPC and he is for other respondent. So only notice is issued. Matter may be fixed on 20th of May. We will be filing our objection if any.
There is an
নাম
issue.
advocate এর নাম চেঞ্জ করবে লাগবে খালি
39 and 40.
35
39 and 40.
39 and 40.
Yeah, IA has been filed yesterday. We have received the copy.
39, in fact, Lordship,
39 is the
we
IA.
only mentioned this morning. So,
My lord, I am appearing
Oh,
virtually.
that
Then
39 was mentioned and then
Yes.
struck off.
Yes.
39 and 40, Learned Counsel, Mr.
K. Saxena for NSPC.
K.
Saxena.
Saxena. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. K. Saxena is present. Learned
Lordship.
Counsel, Mr.
Am I audible, ma'am?
D. Kamdu.
yes, I am the company.
GA.
D.
No, you are in, now you are
Yeah,
GA.
yeah, I am Eastern Council land.
Land, Learned Standing Counsel, Land, Mr. D. Kamdu is present on behalf of the respondent. I'm for GA, okay,
Am I audible?
Learned Government Advocate, Miss, huh? R. Pasang is present on behalf of the respondent number On behalf of the state respondent.
Lordship, counsel for the applicant is online.
Yes, Manoj. Am I audible, Manoj?
Oh, you are not the applicant.
I am for the opposite party.
Yes, yes, I can hear you, yes.
Yes, yes, Manoj.
Yes.
The short point of this IA is,
Hmm.
main petition says NHPCL has moved a writ petition challenging a land acquisition award. That has never been stayed. So the question is, when an award is not stayed, it has to be implemented. Now, they want to file a reply to this, that is their right. But if the award is not stayed, it has to be implemented. That's the basic principle of law. Their award has never been stayed. It is a petition of 2020. We are 4 years into it.
I'll have to go through the records.
My-
I'll have to go through the records. Records.
My learned colleague is here. I'm sure he can corroborate this. There is no stay. My lords may come to page number 13 of my IA. We've given a table of every single order passed. in
You are
this-
for the applicant?
I'm
You
for
are for
the
the applicant?
My lord,
You are for the applicant?
I'm for the applicant landowners. The oustees, my lord, the landowners.
Okay.
The award has never been stayed.
Hmm.
So if it's not stayed, they have to implement it.
So at present, we'll issue notice there
Yes, Manoj.
to the respondents.
Yes, Manoj, they may respond to this.
Learned Counsel, Mr. A. Tiwari
Yes, Manoj, A. Tiwari.
is present on behalf of the applicant. এইটো আইএটো লিখিবা সেই আগৰ যোনটো আছিলে অৰ্ডাৰটো এইটো হেৰি কৰি থাককচোন পাছত দৰকাৰ পৰিলে দিম the applicant to take steps to issue notice to the respondents to opposite parties.
Extra copies.
You are the respondent or you are the petitioner in this case?
Petitioner in the writ petition.
Okay, to the opposite parties. Sufficient copies to be furnished to the respondents, to the opposite parties. Yet respondent to the opposite parties. When do you want? List them.
20th of May,
20th is fine with me.
2025.
28th.
20th of May. 20.
28th May,
20.
20 months.
2005.
Yes. Highly open.
Obliged.
WPC to এনেকে লিখি দিবা. So
This is analogous matter, no order. need to
not
pass.
required.
Obliged.
May your lordship. Lordship, item number 29, your lordship. I'm for the petitioner, you're here, lordship. The opposite, the respondent, they have filed their affidavit in oppositions. And this matter may be listed for admission hearing, your lordship. Admission hearing.
Admission.
Yes, your lordship. Item number 29.
Take it back to the item number 29. Affidavit in opposition is filed by respondent number 1.
1 and 2, both the respondent, your lordship. In respect of respondent number 2, we have already filed the affidavit in reply. This matter may be listed for admission hearing. In the meantime, if required, I'll file affidavit in reply in respect of respondent number 1 also, if required, your lordship. 29. No. Item number 29. Matter may be listed after 2 weeks, your lordship. For admission,
Respondent number 2 has already filed.
already
affidavit.
filed, we have already filed an affidavit in reply also,
Okay.
lordship.
Learned Counsel, Miss T.
And
Akhtar.
Anju,
N. Anju is present on behalf of the petitioner. The respondent number 1 has filed affidavit in opposition.
2 also, they have filed.
Earlier, the respondent number 2 had also filed, has also filed affidavit in the opposition, against which affidavit in reply was submitted by was filed by the petitioner. List the matter for admission.
Lordship, after 2 weeks, your lordship.
List the matter for admission after 2 weeks.
And also item number 30, your lordship.
Ah.
This matter may also be listed for admission hearing. After 2
Readings
weeks,
are complete.
complete. Your lordship.
Lordship, interim may be continued, Lordship.
Huh?
In the petition.
Interim sum, item number 35, item number 30. Learned Counsel, Ms. T. Anju, okay, now it's
Yes,
on the other.
I am for the petition.
Learned
Lordship.
Counsel, Mr.
Jibam.
G. Bam
Yes, Lordship.
is present on behalf of the petitioner. Learned Counsel, Ms. T. Anju is present on behalf of the
Respondent number 3.
respondent number
3.
3.
And for respondent number 1 and 2.
Learned Counsel, Ms. T. Basar, no?
R Basar.
R. Basar is present on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. List the matter for admission hearing
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Interim continue, Lordship.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Much obliged.
About to Renaka likhi dibason. Meanwhile, in the meanwhile, that item number 31, no? That you were supposed to file affidavit in opposition, somebody was in. Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34 to 36.
34 to
34 to 36.
34, 35, 36. Yes.
Yes, matter may be taken up after 3 weeks.
Learned Counsel with the petitioner with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment, list the matter after 3 weeks.
May I please, my lord. My lord, in item number 35, my lord, my name is not reflected, my lord. I've already filed my.
35 but belek ke aro olop likhi diba extra. The registry to reflect the name of the learned special PP.
No, here, here
By name, Learned Counsel, Mr. O. Pada, in the cause list.
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the respondent.
Respondent
in the-
number 5.
Respondent number 5 in the cause list.
And Lordship, item number 37 also. In this, we may be allowed to take fresh steps to respondent number 2 and 7.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
S. Yirang.
S.
Yirang.
Yerang, on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. L. Parme.
Yes, for the
Is
petitioner.
L. Parme, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is present. Learned Government Advocate, Ms. K. Wangmo.
P Pangu.
Huh? T.
P Pangu, your lordship.
P. Pangu is present for the state respondent.
Yes, your lordship.
Respondent state.
1, your lordship here.
For respondent number only, sole respondent.
Yes, no,
Oh.
no, your lordship. I'm for item 37. I'm for 1 only, your lordship.
For the respondent number 1. What was your submission?
We may be allowed to take fresh steps to respondent number 2
Petitioner
and
to
7.
take fresh steps to respondent number
2 and 7.
2 and 7 or 2 up to
Yes,
7?
2 and 7.
2 and 7. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May I, your lordship?
Hmm.
I beg to mention item number 50 to 53, your lordship. Here, your lordship, we are going to file our counter affidavit. Standing.
I'm
cause.
for the petitioner, your lordship. In this case, actually, the land department was supposed to file affidavit in
52 and
opposition.
53.
50, 51, 52 and 53.
50, 51, 52 and 53, yes.
Yes, sir. Land department, they were supposed to file affidavit in opposition today. However, due to some that issue, they are not filing the affidavit today.
Oh.
So they are seeking some more time. So they are making an,
Land department.
yes.
Land
And state-
department, who is
state-
for land department? Nobody.
It's just left the court, your lordship.
Just left, okay. You want your names to be recorded or I'll just mention the affidavit has not been submitted?
Yes, your lordship.
Huh?
Yes, your lordship.
The respondent land department has not filed affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
Stop. List the matter on. After 2 weeks.
Okay, your
List the
lordship.
matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, your
Obliged.
And also item number 44, your lordship.
44.
We have not, state has not filed this one. Affidavit, your lordship.
And here, lordship, I'll be representing respondent number 3 to 10, lordship.
3 to 10.
Yes, lordship.
So you state wants time to file affidavit. Yes, sir. Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr.
K lawyer.
K. Loy is present on behalf of respondent number 3 to 10. Learned Counsel, Ms. K. Wangmo is present on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and has prayed for some time to file affidavit. List the matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
That's big argument.
Your Lordship, I have two judgments pertains to Your Lordship, non-maintainability of the habeas corpus in case of missing person. One is Your Lordship, the Guwahati High Court judgment, which we have already furnished, but Your Lordship, this is one reported in the GLT. And it is very clear here, wherein the judgment which has been referred from the Honorable Supreme Court judgment has been clearly reflected in para 14 and 15, Your Lordship.
This case was pending since 2022.
Yes, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, one more judgment on the same issue, Your Lordship, by the Division Bench of the Orissa High Court, which is reported in 2023 SCC online Orissa 5628. The same issue from para 9, 10, and 11. I've marked there. And Your Lordship, this is part, and one more judgment, this is Sakri Vasu case.
Sakri Vasu
Yes,
case.
yes, pertains to the remedy available to the victim missing person family member, Your Lordship, where they can take recourse for trace out the victim or for proper investigation.
Everybody has fled. Everybody.
Everybody left.
Everybody has fled because they'll get bored. Oh, there's a long order passed earlier. Earlier, a long order was passed.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So this is what I was thought of. I thought of seeking, but already it has been sought and you have already submitted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This the detailed report in the case of Miss Halima Fani shall be filed in the form of affidavit.
Yes.
I was thinking of calling for pen drive and all this, but
Yeah.
it was already submitted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I didn't go through this record today. Please interfere, huh? If some wrong dates or anything wrong
Okay, Your Lordship.
instances are mentioned, please interfere.
Okay.
Heard, Mr.
K. Taja.
K. Taja, learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner has filed this application under Article 226. Read with Article 227 of the Constitution of India for issuance of writ in the nature of habeas corpus or writ of mandamus for or direction or a direction of like nature. The petitioner in this case is Sri Soiful Islam, the husband of the missing person.
Brother.
The
Brother.
brother of the missing person. X, X within bracket name withheld, bracket close, is the missing person, aged about 31, who was aged about 31 years, full stop. A video clipping went viral on social media. With footage of a woman being brutally assaulted and tortured by a group group of individuals, full stop, comma, at Sud village in UPR. Full stop now, comma, at Sud village in UPR. On being injured about the assault, comma, the officials from Popu Hill PS came and took the injured lady in the PCR van. Full stop. The petitioner then learned that the petitioner thereafter came to know that the injured lady, comma, his sister, comma, ex was picked up by the police, and so he went to the Popu Police Hill Station to inquire about her. Full stop. The petitioner was then informed by the Popu Police personnel that the police team tried to hand over the injured victim to the Lalu police station, who refused to take custody of the victim. Without any case and beyond their jurisdiction. Full stop. They informed the petitioner that the victim was helped into a train at UPR train station, and one TTE was asked to drop her at Harmuti train station, HARMUTTY. The petitioner has filed, the petitioner is aggrieved as his sister is still missing on account of the apathy of the officials of the Popu Hill Police Station. POPU, huh? It was the duty of the police officials to hand over the victim to any NGO or similar institution who would have helped her through the State Commission for Women, the MEN. The miscreants were not arrested in connection with this case. The whereabouts of the victim woman is unknown. The incident impelled the petitioner to lodge an FIR, which was registered as the Itanagar Women PS case number 145 of, which was registered as Deenalagar. Itanagar Women PS case number 145 of 22/22 under sections 355/211/509, 506, 341, 323, 34 IPC. So, even after the FIR was lodged, missing report was lodged, no action has been taken by the police, nor any information has been provided to the petitioner whether petitioner about the whereabouts of the victim. Stop. the petitioner has prayed to direct the officer in charge of the concerned police station to hand over the custody of the victim X to the petitioner, and also to direct the police to trace the missing person at the earliest. So, initially, the state of Arunachal Pradesh, the superintendent of police, capital complex, Itanagar, the OC, Popu Hill Police Station, the OC, Women Police Station, Itanagar, were arrayed as respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively, but later D. Dulom, inspector, OC of Popo Hill Police Station, and Lady SI V. Odhikari were arrayed as respondent numbers were not arrayed, no, it will be not impleaded also. What will be?
Respondent number 6.
Were included or
Impleaded, your lordship.
impleaded?
Yes, your
Impleaded
lordship.
would be better. Were impleaded as respondent number 5 and 6,
6, yes.
in this case. Due to 5 and 6 in this case, post up. The respondent number 2 and 3, only they have filed affidavit in opposition.
Your lordship, respondent number 2 have filed, 3 have filed, 5 also filed, 6 also filed.
The respondent number 2, 3, 5, and 6
Yes.
have filed affidavit in opposition containing inter alia that they are not responsible for the disappearance of the victim X. The respondent number 3 has 3 through the respondent number 3, that is the OC, huh? That is OC, he's the OC, no?
Yes, 3 and your lordship 5. The OC itself, 3 in the capacity of officer in charge, and 5 he is in person, he has been impleaded.
The respondent number 3 and 5, that is the OC of the
Concerned Popo Hill Police Station.
Popo Hill Police Station, through his affidavits. He has filed 2 affidavits, no?
If affidavit has been filed. Yes.
2 affidavits.
2 affidavits, your lordship.
Through his affidavits, has stated that on 8/11/2022 at around 9:10 p.m., the victim was brought to the police station by emergency response support system within bracket ERSS bracket close team. Full stop. She was caught by the public for alleged child trafficking at Sood village, and she was assaulted. The police was also informed about about a woman child trafficker at Sood village, SWD, you know. The respondent number 6, a lady assistant sub-inspector was called by the respondent number 3 as the alleged child trafficker is a woman, and he entrusted her to attend the case. Full stop. After tracking down the location, the police team of the police party of the aforementioned police station proceeded to the place of occurrence. The proceedings are also recorded at the police station CCTV camera. Proceedings are also recorded. When they met the victim X, she was drenched with muddy water, especially on the lower part of her body. She got drenched when she got drenched when she tried to cross the river. No injuries were noticed by the police team, which also included the lady police constable, P. Odhikari.
No, ASI, Your Lordship. Respondent number
Or
6.
lady police ASI.
Yes, respondent number 6.
From our respondent number 6. Full stop. A thorough inquiry was conducted and no incriminating materials were found against the victim X. And no case of child trafficking could be established. Full stop. The victim was also not arrested despite the allegations of child trafficking against her. As such, the victim was not arrested. Full stop. As such, the victim was not arrested despite the allegations of child trafficking against her. After interrogating the victim X, it was unearthed that she was accompanied by by some other people who had abandoned her. She was accompanied by some other people up to Naharlagun who had abandoned her. Full stop. The lady ASI also tried to, or the respondent number 6 also tried to locate her relatives in Naharlagun, but failed to find any relatives, to find any person related to X. Full stop. The victim was also provided with dry victim was also provided with a change of garment with garments to replace her soaked attire. Stop. The proceedings in the police station are also available in the CCTV footage, which has been appended along, which has been submitted along with the objection filed by the respondents. Every endeavor was made to hand over the custody of the respondent to any person known to her or to women helpline, but not a single organization or institution was willing to accept to take custody of the women at night or even at any other time of the day. Stop. The Laluk police station also refused to accept the respondent respondent accept the victim acts, full stop. As per the provisions of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873, the respondent had to be what is it called? External or what?
External, yes.
Huh? To send out.
Yes, ma'am. External.
Oh, has to be not deported, no?
Not deported.
Otherwise, it will be like alleging her to be a foreigner.
Yes, ma'am.
Extradite also cannot. What will be the appropriate word?
External would be enough.
External.
Yes, ma'am.
An order had to be passed for externing violators of LIP. Huh?
ILP.
ILP. Oh,
Inner line permit.
inner line ILP. Yes, yes. Inner line permit. ILP বুলি pura likhi diya. Inner line permit. Finally, it was decided that the respondent who was from, what was her place? Laluk.
Lakhimpur.
Laluk Lakhimpur.
Respondent who was from Laluk, Lakhimpur should be sent back to Laluk, Lakhimpur. এইটো মাজত ক'বাত ভৰাই দিব লাগিব দেই এই লালুক পুলিচে যে একসেপ্ট কৰা নাই তাৰ আগত ভৰাই দিব লাগিব the respond the on being confronted the respondent stated that she was from Laluk. It is submitted that every endeavor was made to hand over respondent to proper custody, but her address could not be found. The respondent was taken to the police railway station, and with the help of there was a person, no, who helped her board the train.
Yes, Your Lordship. The constable, Your Lordship. It's a Constable Remo, Your Lordship. It's Constable Mr. Bapi Ligo.
Oh, yes, and with the help of Constable Bapi Lijo,
Yes.
the of Naharlagun GRP, the respondent was helped into a train for her onward journey towards Laluk.
Laluk, Your Lordship.
So it is further submitted that although there were allegations that the respondent were, it is for the respondent, not the ex. It is further submitted that although there were allegations that the victim ex was assaulted, no injuries could be detected by the investigating team, and the victim appeared to be normal, except that she was shivering because her garment was soaked in muddy water. Stop. Every endeavor was made to trace out the respondent's address, but finally it was unearthed that the respondent's husband is, what is his name? From Lalu. The respondent, no, that victim's husband is
Victim husband's name.
Miraz Ali.
Miraz Ali, yes.
Sure. Is Miraz Ali or what Ali? Are you sure? It's Miraz Ali. Is Miraz Ali from Lalu? It is
Miraz.
Miraz Ali. It is further submitted that the victim, they further submitted that it is intriguing that the victim's husband has never come forward to file a missing complaint, to lodge a missing complaint when the victim ex disappeared. The police left no stone unturned to trace out the victim. A search team was also formed, and the respondent was and a thorough search was and a thorough search was made in places like Gopur, Lakhimpur, Tezpur. What else?
Your Lordship, sorry, Your Lordship,
Etc. Etc.
yes, Your Lordship, the husband of the victim is residing at the village Amsi,
Amsi.
number 3, near Doimuk.
Doimuk.
Yes, Doimuk. Not in Laluk, Doimuk, in the rented accommodation of Kapa Bengia. In Laluk, Your Lord. Or in Doimuk, sorry, in Doimuk.
Doimuk, not
yes.
Lalu.
Not Laluk, Doimuk.
Etc. Etc. And even in morgues.
Yes, sir, in search operation was
And even in mortuaries.
yes,
Mortuaries or morgues?
mortuaries, Your Lord.
Mortuaries.
Mortuaries, police station, isolated place, hospital, market area, railway station, etc. Yeah.
The police failed to trace out the victim. It is further submitted that with Melafide, the petitioner has filed this petition to shift the blame on the police who had taken care of the victim and even took the pains and even undertook the task of helping the victim into a train, as the victim has stated that she was from Assam.
She's from Assam, Lalu.
She's as the victim, helping the victim into a train heading towards Assam.
Tinsukia,
As she has
Tinsukia,
stated
Assam.
that,
Heading toward Tinsukia, Assam.
as she has stated that the victim, as she has stated that she was from Assam.
Assam.
I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. So this will cover all the.
Yes, Your
all-
Lord.
all
Yes,
the
Your Lord.
things. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have considered the submission that the against the wrongful detention of the victim by the miscreants who had assaulted her. Per contra, the learned counsel for the respondents has relied on the decision of this court in Mamuni Kakoti within bracket MS bracket close versus State of Assam, reported in 2021 within bracket 5 GLT 18. So Sakri Vasu, I want.
Yes, your lordship, your lordship, yes, it's upon them, your lordship may be reflected on the later part, your lordship. Because Sakri Vasu, regarding your lordship, the supervision of our investigation.
Eto judgment and order oral likhi diba. No?
Yes, your lordship.
Because it is a writ petition.
Yes, your lordship.
And it has been fixed for hearing since 2020.
22, yes, sir.
22. Judgment and order oral likhi diba. Wherein it has been held and observed that 14 and 15, no?
Sorry, your lordship.
Entire 14 paragraph.
Oh, your lordship, entire 14 paragraph and 15 is the observation. 14 has discussed the various judgment basing on which.
Should we go to the entire 14?
Yes, 14, your lordship.
It will take 4 pages. In
Yes,
the
okay, then
judgment.
15, your lordship will suffice. 15,
only
yes,
15.
15.
Because the judgment will
Yes.
be shorter than the judgment. Oh,
Yes, yes, your lordship. There are 15 will,
oh
15 will,
my brother, just.
yes, your lord, 15 will suffice because I speak about the habeas, non-maintainable with habeas corpus for tracing out the missing
Para
person.
15. Para 15. Where it has been held and observed, para 15 just must allow, huh? One, two, in this para 15, in the reverting back to this case, comma, these are the annexures, no photographs.
Yes, your lordship.
I'd like to see the photograph of the victim.
Yes, your lordship. May
That will be annexure
annexure 8, your lordship.
of which objection?
Yeah, respondent number 3 affidavit, your lordship.
Okay.
In
Annexure 8.
Annexure 8, series page number 88, your lordship. 88 and 89. 88 is in police station and 89 is in train, inside the train. Second last and last page. Second last and last page.
Reverting back to this case, comma, the respondent number 3 has annexed the photographs of the victim X as annexure 8 series.
Yes.
Which clearly which clearly depicts that depicts the victim inside the railway station and thereafter the victim seated on a train.
Yes, your lordship.
The change of garments provided to her is also reflected through the pictures annexed along with the objection filed by the respondent number 3 and 5, no?
Yes, your lordship.
Respondent number 3 and 5. The respondent has also annexed the pen drive of the annexed the CCTV footage
Yes,
as
your lord.
annexure
Yes,
4.
annexure 4.
And a copy and annexure 4 has also been furnished, and the CCTV footage marked as annexure 4 has also been furnished to the petitioner,
Petitioner, yes, your lordship.
who has also viewed the CCTV footage. the investigation conducted by the Papu Hill Police Station, by the team of the Papu Hill Police Station is also recorded. And an Annexure 6 series shows the footage of
Photograph.
the places where the investigation was conducted to trace out the respondent or trace out the victim. The thus it is clear from the thus it is clear from the objection by objection and the submissions, including the annexures, that that the respondents could refute the allegation of illegal detention of the victim X to some extent. All right?
Yes,
To
Your
some
Lordship.
extent.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
The respondents have also relied on the decision of the High Court of Odisha at Cuttack in Nimananda Biswal versus State of Odisha and others, reported in 2023 SCC Online ORI 5628, wherein it has been held and observed that. Okay, these three paragraphs I can give.
Yes, para 9, 10, and 11.
Para 9. Para 10 is not required actually.
10.
Because here the names have been.
Yes, names will be there, but Your Lordship, so far as the FIR is concerned, the FIR clearly reflect
The police team.
the missing of the victim. It's stated the missing of
Or
the.
para 10 also. Para
Yes.
10 to DDO.
Yes.
Para 10.
It speak about the illegal detention, Your Lordship. When there is no any illegal detention, the question of invoking the writ of habeas corpus arise. Yes, yes, yes.
In the instant case, para 11 likhi diba. 9, 10, 11. In the instant case, an FIR has already been lodged.
Same like the present case. Here also, Your Lordship, the FIR regarding the missing of the victim is registered in 13/11/2022, which is pending before the Women PS. Yes,
Yes, yes. I have given the number also.
yes, Your Lord.
FIR has already been lodged when the victim had disappeared by the petitioner, full stop. It is apparent it is thus manifest. No, apparent. It is apparent that the condition precedent of illegal detention for moving a habeas corpus petition could not be established more so when there is no allegations in the petition of any illegal detention by the police personnel. No, is there any allegation in the petition that the police personnel has?
Not of illegal detention, but
Oh.
improper procedure.
Hmm?
But of improper procedure.
Improper
Procedure.
procedure.
That's it.
Full stop. It is true that it is true now, the petitioner has been aggrieved by the procedure adopted by the police while dealing with the victim after she was assaulted by a group of miscreants. Full stop. It is averred that the victim was not handed over to proper custody full stop. Which paragraph? 2930.
Yes, Lordship. For
Sagiri Vasu?
Sakri Basu, Your Lordship, it's in paragraph 29 and 30, Your Lordship. Paragraph 29 is in page number, Your Lordship, page number 415. So you'll find in paragraph, last line, Your Lordship. After 28, 416. The bottom line, Your Lordship. 29 is in bottom.
Ah, okay.
In Union of India versus Prakash P. Hinduja.
Para 29, no?
Yes, Your Lordship. In the bottom. In Union of India versus Prakash P. Hinduja.
This is not required. Sagiri Vasu is not required.
Okay, Your Lordship.
In the wake of the foregoing discussions, it is hereby held that a writ of habeas corpus cannot be issued in a routine manner against when there are allegations of in a routine manner, full stop. The power has to be exercised in a clear case full stop. Here when there is in the instant case when there is no direct allegation of illegal detention, this court refrains from issuing a writ of habeas corpus. Full stop. This court is also hesitant to direct proper investigation and recover the victim as investigation is under progress and the case being and a criminal case being FIR key police station all Itanagar, all women Itanagar police station case number so under so and so has already been registered and investigation is still under progress. In petition is hereby dismissed. No order as to cause. Ekdom beginning or likasun hard, Mr. Given your names, no, na? Huh? Disu, sobar nam dilu. Nadia niki? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Tasot heri, tasot ako likhi dia, hard Mr. 1, respondent 1.
One, theater, additional
He
VP.
learned additional PP for
Yes.
respondent number 1
What-
to where?
One,
1 to 4.
yes.
And learned counsel, Mr.
VP check.
Uh,
For respondent number 5.
5. He was now for respondent 6. Okay. Sorry.
And your lordship, the FIR number is 145 of 2022.
Yeah.
145 of 2022, registered under section 355 211,
Page 1, page 13.
page 13
Of writ petition.
of read petition.
I will correct yesterday's order. Yesterday I have dictated a long order, so I'll correct that now.